Oh, okay. Hang on a second, Joe. What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. My man Jay Seals will be in a little bit. All this week, he's taking his gorgeous daughter to a recital, so he's taking care of that right now. And then later we'll be tag teaming it as usual. But this morning it's CPI day. You guys already know. I'm sure most of you probably YOLO the accounts this morning, and I hope you did because today was a great day to just long the market, right? If you YOLO'd it and you went short, then RIP, right? Like your account did not survive this shit. I'm sorry. It's over. It's dead. But it's okay because the accounts are 90% off. You can go get one for like 19 bucks. It's cool. Like just try again tomorrow. We got PPI. I'm just kidding. But that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for giving us a little bit of your time. Thank you so much for hitting another milestone. Let's drop some fucking bombs in the chat. Oh, those are not the bombs. I really should label these, but 1,700 subs on our way to 2K. You know what I'm saying? Another milestone in the chat, and in the channel, and that's all due to you guys. So thank you guys so much. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Also, before we even get started, you guys already know I got to do the housekeeping. Please, if you're gonna use Apex, if you're gonna use My Funded Future, Top Step X, all that stuff, and you enjoy watching us, if you want to help out the channel, link is scrolling right across the bottom here. Use the Apex funded. It doesn't cost you anything. Use the discount code. It's some weird ass code down here, but it doesn't cost you anything, but we do get a kickback, and Justin and I split those 50-50. Go watch all of Justin's videos on the channel about prop firms, educational information, all that good stuff. And when you're done, go down to the description below. There's also an affiliate code for all of the prop firms that he give you education on. If you like what you see, go ahead and use that affiliate code. We get a kickback. Like I said, we use it to help out with the channel. The last way you can help out with the channel, if you like, again, this one will help you as well as us, but the Discord link is in the description down below. It's $40 per month. It's $15 per week. If you like the way we trade, you like the way we reprice, you understand, you like the way that we read order flow, and you like a further understanding on how to read order flow, you want to know how we use time, you want to be around a community of traders that's growing stronger in every day, and you want to lock in that price early before it goes up, because it will go up, then yeah, come join us over there. If not, it's all good. You can sit here, chill, sit back and relax, enjoy the pre-market plan on the YouTube channel, absolutely free. But please don't forget to tip those barbers. All right, let's get it in this morning. Thank you guys again. Like I said, I really pray that nobody went short on this shit. But you know, if you did, hey man, brave soul. But anyway, let's jump right into the pre-market plan this morning, because it's an interesting plan, because it doesn't have a bearish plan whatsoever. I mean, because I don't have a validated high, there's no reason to go short until that exists, right? So the current conditions, this again, I write my pre-market plan prior to the news every day. I don't give a shit what's happening. My plan is going to come out at around 7 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning. Bullish above price. We're in price discovery mode. The current conditions on ES. We're bullish above 53.40.50, and we're bearish below 54.34, which was supposed to be 54.35. And this level was the projected move on the week. The projected move is based off the average weekly gain of the ES. However, this week could be an additional percentage, because usually when we got CPI or something like that, we maybe go up. We usually on an average move 2% to the up or downside, but with CPI, we could move an additional percentage, right? We got CPI, we had a bunch of other reasons why we could go higher. Anyway, the only place I'm looking to potentially see bears step in is between 54.35 and 54.75. 54.75 is a level that I saw on the tape that had an unusual amount of liquidity that the market could come back to. I think that we stay below 35, right? We come back down and then rally back up and just kind of hold this area until tomorrow. But who am I? Market's continuing to rally above all-time high in the overnight session, and we are now in price discovery mode. With CPI coming this morning, we could get a strong pullback rallying higher. I would like to play longs into like to play longs off of higher time frame demands. All right, so that was before the market opened, and then this ridiculous candle happened on the 2 hour. So we've updated the plan, but I'm going to read to you the things that I have currently. So first, I'm looking for buyers to defend 53.62. But based off this candle, I don't think we're coming back down here today. We will at some point. I just don't think it'll be today. Maybe with FOMC and all of that stuff we go down, but I don't think so. But 2-hour demand, previous day low at 53.62 to 53.34, and look to long the market targeting all-time highs, which was just all good like 5 minutes ago. But 53.92.50 was the all-time high. But we've kind of adjusted the plan. I didn't write it down, but I did talk to the Discord about it. So the plan now is twofold. One, I'm looking for buyers to come back and fill 50% of this fair value gap down to about 54.10, 54.1025, and or come back and retest the origin of price, right? So this is the low that brought the high. So that previous all-time high would be key at 53.92.50. I personally don't want to short down to these levels because I just don't want to. Nope. I'm over it. I'm over shorting this market. But anyway, so yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for on ES. So let's jump over to NQ. And again, the other thing I'll note is as long as we're trading above the previous day high, like the market's going to remain bullish. Like just understand that. And then, little birdie told me that, if CPI is going up, if CPI went up, it's probably not coming down. It's probably going to rally all day. So just keep that in mind. Again, trade your account how you want to trade your account. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to share with you my thoughts on the market. So let's move on to the NASDAQ. And yeah, it's very, very similar, right? So price conditions, price discovery, bullish above 995, bearish below all-time high, which was 20 minutes ago. And now we're up 200 points from that level. So the idea here is looking to long the market at 19,362. This level between 375 and 362 is a key level on the tape. There's a lot of resting liquidity right there, but also 362 is 50% of this entire fair value gap candle here. Projected move on the week is 19,500. So I want to see how bears react to the 3% area. And then above that, I really don't have anything as of yet. I didn't really see anything significant on the tape, but that was before the open. So I'll be searching while this market's kind of playing around. Like I want to see some type of pullback. There's no way I'm getting long up here. Again, I'm not knocking anybody that does that. That's just not the way I want to trade the market. So hoping we build some type of structure and then pull back into this structure if we're going to go higher, or we sell down into the level that I want to trade off of, and then I'll look to trade there. As far as the plan goes, honestly, I have a plan where the green boxes are, but let's be real. If we come all the way back down there, then great. I'll look to short the market on retest of the highs. But right now, there's just no high. So there's no validated area for me to get short. So right now, it's just kind of being patient and waiting on the market to kind of provide a little bit more clarity. Could I long it right here? Yeah, I could, but I'll wait. I'm patient, man. I'm really calm in regards to what I want to do in the market today. I have a plan. I know what I want to do, and I'm going to wait for that plan to trigger. So, but I'm not going to be picky, and I'm not going to be super picky. Like, oh, well, we're 3 points away. I'm not going to take it. Like, nah, fuck that. When my plan area is triggered, that's what I'm going to be looking for, not my plan price. So those are my thoughts on the market. Oh, wait, I got to go over the volatility index. Volatility index, just like we talked about yesterday, I told you guys the market, the VIX, they do this gap up shit just so they can sell it back down. And to me, it's not a significant bearish move unless we can get trade back above 15. I said, hey, if we come back into the supply zone, it's just basically a lower high being put in. And that's exactly what happened. We put in this lower high at 1455. We traded back down, put another lower high at 1440. And now we're breaking below the low, officially changing character again. All that bullish shit is over. And then now we're starting to fill this gap, which is another reason why I thought the market would rocket ship, because I feel like analytically speaking, anytime there's a huge gap, gaps like to be filled. And if they match the current direction of price, then they're just going to get filled. However, after a gap down candle like this, well, what do we anticipate? We anticipate the market coming back into 50% of the previous low and or the previous high that brought it here, right? Therefore, if I can get the VIX, if the VIX can push back into 1422, I think it's going to create a significant opportunity to short the market. I'm not going to short it, but I could see the opportunity presenting itself right there. So in regards to the stock market, More of the same. So Apple put in an all-time high yesterday at 207 post-market, and it's kind of holding above previous day high. Basically, the key here, the thing that you want to look for here with all the stocks is to make sure all of them are holding above, not all, but you want to see the bigger ones start to stay above previous day high. That's going to be an indication that the market is willing to trade higher. And again, no reason to look to short the market just yet. So those are my thoughts on the market. Sounds like Justin is in the building. Let me check. Yep, he's in the building. What's going on, brother? I talked about it with the Discord, but you can definitely cover it. Like we basically hit our target. So bullish. Bullish. I don't know what else to say, bro. Like, it's bullish. Mm-hmm. 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 Not to mention, Core hit their goal. Their goal was 2%. So year over year is 3.3, but the month over month core CPI hit 0.2%. So all I can say is, go ahead, brother. I'm sorry. I'm just thinking out loud, but blabbermouthing at the same time. They said they can't hear you on YouTube. They said they can't hear Justin. I can hear him just fine. Oh, maybe I can only hear you in Discord. Yeah, hang on, guys. He's gonna start over. Just give me a second. Yeah, I can hear him in the Discord. That's probably why I can hear him.
There we go. Okay, I'm good now. Sorry,
Yeah.
my computer restarted yesterday, and then all of my settings went back to being the way that they were.
Yeah, I hate that shit.
So I didn't realize I had to change it. My bad, y'all. What I was saying was CPI. And I got to go back to my CPI slide. Okay, here we go. All right, so CPI, core CPI came in at 0.2, and it dropped from 0.3. So we got a 0.1 decrease. CPI month over month went from a 0.3 to a 0. So month over month CPI, we had no inflation for the month, right? And then CPI year over year went down from 0.34 to 0.33. So it went down by 0.1%. So what I was saying is all these numbers are bullish, and they should signal that the Fed should be lowering their interest rates, is what they should be doing, right? We've paused already, but we should be lowering them. And I used Elizabeth Warren, whether you hate her or you like her, she has been signaling for the Fed to lower the interest rate on top of Canada already lowering their interest rates. And I'm pretty sure there was another central bank that lowered their interest rates as well. So all these institutions are already lowering interest rates. America's probably going to be next. If not this time, then definitely next time. But I think that's what's kind of signaling the market to rally, because we have to. I mean, pretty much when you think about it, we might be in this kind of range of just kind of chilling for most of the day until Powell comes on, right? Like we may continue to rally, or we may just consolidate in a wider range until Powell starts to speak, just because people are going to be waiting on what Powell is going to say. But for me today, I'm waiting on pullbacks. ES left a massive gap in the market. Like I'm talking about like a 30-point gap was left it's like a 20-point gap was left in the market where zero volume got traded. So I'll be waiting for a pullback into that. That's pretty much my target. So the gap starts at like 54.15ish, somewhere in that area, and goes all the way down to 53.95. There's literally no volume traded in that gap there. So yeah, that's the area where I'm going to be looking to potentially take longs if the market wants to come back down there. That's my only plan. I'm not shorting this market. This market is way too bullish. Every time I short it, I get fucked, and I'm tired of getting fucked. So therefore,
Diddy, he's had a long night, guys. Forgive him. Forgive him.
Well, I did do some DJ. I did do some DJ and shit. And I did catch the long on one of my combine accounts for 1,500. So I am happy about that. But
I wasn't DJing. You knew the market was going up. Like there was no reason to believe it was going down. I bet you wasn't going to short that shit.
No, I was not going to short it. I said, Bud, we going up or we going down? He said, we going up. I said, cool, because I'm already long, brother.
Ain't no reason to short that shit. That's for damn sure. But to your point, though, like I would add something to think about. This is what I was telling the Discord. Somebody else said the same thing you said, which is because we're so accustomed to consolidating before FOMC, but theoretically, well, why do you think the market consolidates before FOMC? Is because the market doesn't like uncertainty, right? However, you good?
Yeah.
Oh, you had this look like what?
Oh no! I'm good. I'm good.
But the market usually consolidates because it's waiting to see what the Fed's gonna say, because it doesn't know the Fed could go either way. But the data has already spoken, right? Like the data has already told you what the Fed is gonna try to do. So I'm looking for today. I know people are gonna call me crazy, right? But it's just a thought that I'm starting to develop in my head. I'm not looking to participate in this, but this wouldn't surprise me, right? There's the old saying of buy the rumor, sell the news, right? For the last 6 months, we've been buying the rumor, right? Like in addition to the AI bubble, but the goal is to cut rates. In the event that he says that we're going to cut rates, do you think this market is going to go more bullish, or you think we're going to go start to slightly have some type of relief to be like, okay, now we can start selling, right? Like, so I don't know. I'm not looking to short, but again, I think the market continues to rally. I'm just saying, like, I don't think that there's a reason for the market to consolidate per se, like we usually do. I really hope we don't, but if we do, like, I'm prepared for that as well. But I'm just curious to see what happens today, because we didn't get that initial pump and then that initial dump. You know what I mean? Like, it looks like we're building value up here. So tomato. I mean, it's just a different thought, right? Like maybe the market doesn't need to consolidate today. Like maybe we continue making our moves, or now we've created our new range, right? Like that low down there and now this high creates the range that we're going to play in, you know, throughout CPI. You know what I mean? Like, because like you're saying, there's a lot of liquidity, there's a lot of freaking gaps that need to be filled in this area. So I know this. Shorts are licking their chops right now in retail, right? But
I think there's a good possibility that we come down to fill a gap, but I don't think we're gonna. I think that we're gonna continue to move up. I don't like you brought up like a really interesting point about like selling the news.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I don't know. I kind of think like, what if they're gonna sell the news, but I just don't think they're gonna sell it today. Like I think today they'll use it as an opportunity to push the market higher, so that way they can make more money. And then once they announce the rate cuts, maybe we continue to see a push, and you know what happens. It's like they push the market on a day like today. It's gonna be at least for us, it's gonna be harder for us to kind of find an entry that we like. And we're going to watch the market rally. And a lot of people are going to watch the market rally who don't FOMO and have a system, right? And some of those retail traders are going to get euphoric about whatever happens today. And maybe tomorrow's the day where they try to dump the market because they're like, ha, gotcha, we're not going up anymore. We just made, hundreds of millions of dollars today. So let's dump the market,
On your head, cuz.
Yeah, I don't know. But this music is hitting. This music sounds like some action music, like we get ready for war or something, like a big scene in an action movie. I don't know.
It wasn't me. It was God. I just randomly picked one because we was actually late. The Discord had to tell me to start the shop. What's up, bro? I think so. I don't
remember. I don't remember the last time.
I don't remember what happened. I can't remember what last. I think that it was recent though. I don't know. I have to do a little research
either.
I have to do a little research, but I think it's happened this year though, guys. We
were talking about this the other day. How I was like, yeah, I don't remember CPI and FOMC being on the same time, because normally CPI was on Tuesday and FOMC was on Wednesday. I don't ever remember CPI being on a Wednesday. So
yeah, we did say that the other day. Yeah, that's an interesting thought too. What do you think that what's your theory behind that, Joe? Or
it's a setup. It's a setup.
So it's like, I don't know what the fuck to say, man. Just go up. That is interesting. Thank you for that perspective. Yvonne said, "What's up, Shop Fam? It's only one way north." I know, bro. I know. That's what it feels like. Oh yeah, Justin was in it when I sat down. I thought he was in a paper tray. He's like, "Nah, I'm in one ES Mini." I was like, oh, "Okay, he in a paper tray." He's like, "Oh, 1,500. I'm out." I was like, "Wait a minute. That sounds like he's actually in the tray." I was like, well, let's go.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm not gonna hate on this. I would have took that shit long too. If I was home, I probably would have went in my live funded account. And
I should have gone in my funded account.
That would have been. No, I'm talking about my live, like my actual money.
Your live account. Yeah, you should.
Because that would have been that's easy bread right there. And I don't give a fuck about a stop loss. Like it's YOLO for me. It's like shit gonna go up, so I'm gonna lose some money.
I YOLO'd it hard. I didn't even put a stop loss. I was like, I'm going long. It shot down. I was down like 200, and the next thing I saw, the tape moved, and my account was just frozen. I was like, huh. Yeah, and then next thing I know, it caught up. It was at 1,500. I was like, sell. I'm out.
Yeah. Pot says this will dump.
Yeah, eventually,
I think it will
at some point.
I think it's got to come down. No. He just plays. No, Potts plays price action. Sometimes he likes to be a little too greedy. Sometimes Potts will come in here. We'll be at severe supply and premium to start the day. He'll be like, "We're going higher." I'm like, "Okay, all right." We'll be like warning. We'll be at the warning track. He's like, "Yeah, we're going up." And I'm like, "All right, well, I'm gonna short this." So you enjoy. Top of the top in Bulls we trust. Let's go Chicago Shine. Yeah, Bulls have been the way this year, bro. Yeah, we got Justin taken care of. Muted. Good morning, fam. Hope all is well. Good morning, iBomb. Yeah, we're good, man. We're good over here. I think we had a really great session. Justin and I think kind of had a really good conversation. Just kind of like that middle of the year type of like check for both of us, right? Like, cause we're really close, right? Like we like brothers, and it's different. It hit different in this trading shit because even with my regular brother, I can't talk to him about trading like ever. Like there's everything that I say to him would go over his head because he's just not a trader, right? So like Justin's like the only true, brother that I have in trading and Pip as well. But we talked to each other in the beginning of the year, or was it December, January or something like that? I think it was like January.
It was like Christmas time.
Yeah, it was like Christmas time, and we talked about things that we wanted to do different, things that we wanted to accomplish by the end of the year. And every day you trade, every week you trade is a journey, and sometimes within that journey you kind of get lost on your goals, right? So like I feel like yesterday we kind of had a, hey man, like mic check 1 2 1 2, like what the fuck is the plan? Like what are we doing? You know what I mean? So I feel like we had a good conversation. I don't know how you felt about it, but I thought it was a different type of conversation than we had yesterday.
Yeah, no, it was a good conversation. Just trying to, yeah, like you said. I mean, we have our own yearly goals. It's not like a monetary thing so much. It's
not at all.
It's more of just a it's a level that we're trying to reach, right? And so it's just about planning and how we plan on getting there. I think everybody should have a yearly goal set. That's not a monetary one, right? Like it's not about getting accounts funded or getting $10,000 worth of payouts or stuff like that. So it's just goals. It's like anything else.
What is Justin talking about? I swear that's all we talked about yesterday was like getting $10,000 worth of payout. What the fuck is this guy?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Justin neglected the book. Is everybody good with the NQ vision over here? I don't want to get yelled at by Valdez.
I forgot Valdez decided to be a complete what is it, a Trojan horse. This motherfucker came in on an NQ horse and rode in the ES Fortress and was like, "Hi guys, I'm here now." Like, wait,
he's like, I was on y'all team the whole time, bro. I was just faking. I was jiving these turkeys. Yeah, I know, right?
Oh,
that's how I felt
okay.
when I came back. I was like, Jonah, Jonah came in. Was like, how's you going? I was like, bro, I don't fuck with NQ like that. He was like, what? Like, he was like, who is this guy?
Yes. Yes, I'm the only one that stuck true to you, baby. I'm the only one who cared. When they left you, I stayed.
Yo, Jonah, tell the truth to the light skin, bro. Come on, get him too. Tell him he's lying.
What you mean? I stayed, baby. I stayed. When they cheated on you with NQ, I was there for you. I was there in the late nights when you was crying and only moving 2 points a day. I was there for you. That's probably.
I've been sure just to prove it doesn't work.
That's probably.
Hey, Justin.
What up, Micaiah?
Justin.
What's up?
I just finished a whole can of Red Bull. Did you hear me drink this shit one time? You didn't, did you?
Did you drink it from a straw? Did you drink it from a straw?
No, I drank it like a regular human drinks liquid. I didn't drink it like I'm trying to make love to it.
I had a cup, bro. It was at the bottom. I had a straw. Look. I've been drinking the energy drink too. You don't know I'm drinking the energy drink. Why? Because there's no straw.
This is a small apple Red Bull that I got yesterday. I bought 2 of them yesterday. It's like a really, really tiny one. It's like
I'm about to say I've never heard of that, but it sounds delicious.
What? Bro, they got pineapple, they got apple. Bro, y'all sleep.
I've never heard of an apple Red Bull.
Bro, it's green. Look, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yes, that's the apple joint.
Yeah, I've never.
Okay, all right. We got one of them in here. Assalamu alaikum in this motherfucker. What is that?
Good Lord. He's the Allah.
We got one of them. We got them Assalami Lakers. Assalami Lakers. Word to salami, bro.
Yes,
like, all right, whatever.
Hope Apex don't penalize me for that.
Yeah, you gonna get penalized. Don't trip.
I hope they
won't see that money. You won't see that money. Don't get comfortable, JH. You ain't gonna see that money.
Hey, JH. Welcome to the scammers. Welcome to the scammers, bro. You win there with the rest of them scammers.
Be careful with the Red Bull, young bro. I don't drink Red Bull. Like, this is the first Red Bull I've had in like 6 months, bro. Like, I saw him at the store yesterday. I went to the store to make Valdez. I'm never going to Chipotle again, bro. I made homemade Chipotle last night, bro. Bro, I swear to God, this is the best shit ever, bro. So I took some of those.
Please send me that recipe. Mark is over, by the way, y'all.
Yeah, I peed. So I took some chicken breasts and I flattened them down, right? So they were really nice and thin. Then I bought some Chipotle peppers, or some peppers that are like in Chipotle sauce or whatever. They're like in a can. It's in the Mexican aisle. But I blended them down. Yeah, the Mexican aisle. What do you think Chipotle is? What do you think Chipotle is? Think that shit came from America? But yeah, like it's only like maybe 6 or 7 ingredients in the marinade. And the marinade, you don't even gotta marinate it long at all. Like, I made it in I think it set in the marinade for maybe 20 minutes. Then I grilled it on this bro. It was so good. My wife was like, we don't need Chipotle anymore. So I did the rice. I put lime juice and cilantro, cut up some cilantro, put it in the rice, had some black beans. I bought the pico de gallo because I ain't with all that chop. You know what I'm saying? And then I had these mango habanero Doritos that just came out. Oh my God, bro. Ridiculous.
Well,
I'm telling you ain't never been to my house, Joe. I promise you, all the stuff you saying I lost you on, you'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna have to fuck with this now, Hobbs. I'm like, told you.
I heard if you videotape Chipotle workers while they're making your food, they got to give you extra toppings. They
Oh,
gonna give you
really?
extra. Yeah. Yeah.
Say less. 'Cause I'm tired of paying for double meat, bro. Sick of it. And it don't even be double. I'll be like, bro, like that look like regular portion. My portion look like the portion next to me. You know what I'm saying? Make mine how you make yours on your lunch break. Facts. Like, go get my shit over there. All right, we're tapping into 375. That strong liquidity that was on the tape on NQ. So watch out for pumps right here. I want a little bit lower, but it doesn't look like the market wants to give a little bit lower. But I'm cool with waiting on the. I told myself I was going to wait for the 950 macro. So if we sweep this low, we come back up. I want to see us come back in and retest this low.
Yeah,
it looks like the market may be revving up to go, but ES is fighting this.
Yeah, I think ES might want to come down a little bit. Honestly, that was a lot of buying that came in right there. That kind of getting shut down. I wouldn't be surprised if we sell down a little bit to start the day.
I want us to. I 100% want us to, but we just tapped my liquidity on the tape. I'm reading NQ. I had 375.50 as liquidity on the tape on the top. Damn, I can't even speak.
The top.
I sound like freaking what's his face? Alpine. Gotta get a pow. Let me stop being me. That's how you say payout. This year I'm up 128,000 in pounds. You gotta watch the video. It's freaking hilarious. Oh, look, a divergence between the two instruments. It's like we've seen this movie this week.
That's happened every day this week.
Literally every day this week we've seen this. Like both of the instruments
going
up,
the other one's going down.
Oh, what the hell?
By the way, Mike, yeah, they did send out an email. The Apex is doing a 71% off sale. They went down. They fucked us all. 71%. They couldn't do 80, but yeah, 71% and $35 resets.
Apple's at 209.
Oh my god, Apple!
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Yo,
what?
Oh, bro. Look at Google's candle. God. Look at Google's 5-minute candle right now.
Bro, I'm watching all of them. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Apple.
Nvidia's about to go back to all-time highs. Nvidia gapped up and is going. It's like gap and go if I ever see one.
Microsoft is sending too. It's like a challenge today. Who can have the higher market cap at the end of the day?
Microsoft went and retested its previous all-time high and ripped.
Bro, Apple is fucking sending.
So anybody want to cue in some longs on ES? Because it's about to take off here in a minute.
Holy
no way all these stocks are going up and ES ain't going up here soon.
Holy oh my god. Shit. Is the market open?
Yes, yeah, it's open.
Yo, what the I'm so blown away by Apple's candle right now. Like, fuck.
Meanwhile, ES is like down.
I don't know. I know NQ got that.
Oh, it is about to go, but Jesus.
I'm chilling, bro. I'm waiting on my appointment time.
Yeah, I'm watching the chart too. Nvidia's getting rejected pretty heavily right there, but Apple, Microsoft, and Google are all holding.
Somebody lying.
Nobody's lying. Everything's going up.
Somebody lying. Somebody ain't telling the truth. Somebody capping right now. Somebody capping right now. I don't know who it is. I know all of these stocks rallying like this is bullish, but man, I smell a rug pull. This started to give me DeFi vibes. Keep buying, bros. Diamond hands, bros. Look, everything's going up. Just hold. Diamond hands.
Microsoft's at a $3.24 trillion market cap, and Apple's at a $3.22 trillion market cap.
Yo,
it's a fight for first.
If you're in crypto right now, prepare to see a new market cap. Just understand that. Like when they're done with this, they're gonna go send this money to crypto. So just be prepared. Pack your bags.
There's three $3 trillion stocks in the stock market right now. Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft are all $3 trillion stocks. It's insane.
Yeah, I said that yesterday. I was like, yo, between these three, these motherfuckers make up like 10% of the market cap of the whole stock.
That's insane. And Apple's still pushing. Apple going. Oh, Apple's at 210.40. It's going for it.
It's like a fucking video game right now with these market caps. They gotta be kidding me with this shit.
Apple's trying to be number one. I don't know. They are eating up whatever that WWDC, whatever new technology they said. And I saw what they said. I didn't think it was that impressive, but whatever.
It's never that aggressive.
It's sending. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that Elon? Elon said that if Apple integrates ChatGPT into their phones, that they're not going to be allowed in any of his buildings or anything. He's going to put it in a Faraday cage or something.
Bro, that's like every employee got an Apple phone, including him.
But it's funny though, because he's so against AI, but yet he added AI, or he's trying to add AI to.
No, he's not against AI. He's against competition. He wants his AI to be it.
He acts like he's against AI, but you are right.
I'm a 5-hour energy man myself. I've only drank those one time when I used to be on deployment, because we used to have to stay up super late. Them shits suck. They sour as hell, and they don't work. I swear. I used to be up studying for my pens and shit. Oh God, like them things would not work. You know what did work though? It's the only time I drank coffee when I was on the boat. When I was on the ship, it's the only time I drank coffee, and that shit is amazing. I was like, yo, I see why motherfuckers drink coffee. Yo,
NQ is trying to send right now.
You see this shit, Justin? I'm looking at NQ like, yo, NQ is on some other shit right now. NQ looking crazy right now.
Yeah, ES is about to go too. But NQ looking wild. Here comes ES. They built up all them buyers down there at that low. They just been buying down there. Here comes NQ. Apple's at 210.70. Nvidia done. Oh my God, it's at 211.
Apple's at 211. Jesus.
Oh my God. Nvidia's starting to come up too.
This is like my jaw is like every day my jaw gets like
Apple is officially the biggest stock in the stock market. It's up to 3.24 trillion in market cap, and Microsoft is to 2.23 trillion.
Yo, I'm
we'll have reclaimed Apple's king.
I'm blown the fuck away at how bullish this is, bro. Like this shit is wild.
Apple is now officially the king of the stock market again. That's all I was waiting for.
Thanks, Justin, for the play-by-play on Apple. 71% off. I wonder why they asking for more money now.
They said
I wonder why they want more cash now.
In that email, they said that they had $10.8 million in payouts for the month of June so far. So
they did, bro.
That's what they said.
Why?
They said they got 10.8 million paid out earlier already in the month of June.
Mike, you like that sauce? That 375 off the tape? That shit hit perfect, bro. that sauce came in perfect. That 375.50, they tapped that liquidity and went nuts off that level.
Yes, is like about to be gone. Apple is still sending. It's at 211.70, 89 right now. 95. Sorry, it's at 212. God damn, Apple's up $4 already on the day. It's insane.
Well, Hobbs won't be buying up here. You can get your ass down. I'm not buying shit this high.
No, I'm not buying either.
I don't want the gap to be filled. I want us to go higher, and then I want to buy here. But I want the market to prove to me. Yeah, I want the market to prove to me that it wants to go higher. That's all. I'm not a big fan of buying up here, but I have to buy up here if the market proves to me it can go higher. But
looks like we want to.
I have zero desire. I have zero desire to buy it here. Yeah, you go. 396. You'll get that shit next. You'll get that shit next week.
We not going back down to 396. That.
Yeah.
Nah. We ain't going that low. That's a little too low. I was hoping for like 15, but that was when we were a little bit closer. Now we're just putting in a higher low here. We're probably gonna take out this high at what is this? 33.
Yeah, we have no sellers. Just like no sellers. Like the aggressive bubbles, the volume on ES, there's no red volume. It's just straight filling liquidity.
Yeah. I mean, all the people are just taking profit. at these.
You remember that time when we first went up back in January or February? Like I think it was February when Nvidia reported the first time. In January we dumped. But remember when Nvidia first reported the first time and we gapped up and we just started building value and everybody was like, yeah, we got to come down. Yeah, the market came down, but that shit was like 3 months later. Like I feel like today is one of those days where like everybody's gonna be looking for this gap to get filled and the market, there's 35. All right, well, we're past my weekly prediction already.
Bulls are going ham, bro.
I agree with you. I think when I made it, I thought about it when it was over. I was like, well, 2% is an average week. I was like, but I think we could see NQ would go 5%, but ES could go 3 to 4% this week. At this level, I mean, we're already past the 2% projected weekly. That was 35. So we're past that, and it's not even fucking 9. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. So
GME is trying to send right now too. GME is going ham. Them GameStop people are, it's rallying again. It's at $31. They're probably gonna halt it here pretty soon, knowing them to try to get this rally to stop. Hell, they need to halt fucking ES and NQ at this point. Bro. This thing going nuts.
Nah, that's where they money is. That's where they getting the money to short the fuck out of GameStop.
The crazy thing is that like GameStop moves and they halt it, but like Apple is moving like crazy, but they ain't gonna halt Apple. They're not gonna halt Nvidia. Not gonna halt Microsoft. These things are going crazy. Don't say halt NQ. I'm just playing. They're not gonna halt it. In the history of halts, I don't think they've ever halted ES, NQ, or any of them, unless there was a problem. But never because they were rallying.
33 points away from my projection.
Wow, it took all the instruments with it. Yeah.
This wild, bro. This wild.
We're probably gonna see. We by the end of the day, we could see like 19.7 or 19.8. To be honest, especially depending on what the news is for Powell.
Yeah.
God, look at this. Look at this volume. You could.
There's no red candles. Like there's no red bubbles. There's no volume to the sell side at all. I'm watching the tape, and the only volume I'm seeing to the sell side is the liquidity being filled. There's no sellers in the market right now. Look at the. I know, bro. They gotta do something. What the fuck? Yo, what?
I mean, they gotta start taking. They gotta start taking profit.
Bro. They not taking profit, bro. This shit crazy. Oh my god, bro.
They
I'm about to close my computer. Like, bro, I'm out of here, man. What the fuck is this? I have no plan for this year. Oh my. No. Bro, I had a plan to go long on NQ. It hit exactly, but I wasn't. Oh my god. Yo. What the bro. All right. I just want to pull back into 34. Come on. That's what we did yesterday. We pulled back into 34. Well, not obviously. Oh, you long already, or? Oh, my bad.
He said, "I don't want no pullback."
He said, after he just said, "I ain't had no plan of going long up here, but fuck it, I'm in this bitch."
Well, if y'all wanted short, she could have shorted GC. GC is coming down right now, but I think it's only coming down to come right back up.
No,
yeah, gold.
If NQ's pumping, gold's not coming down to go up. Yeah.
Nah, it's getting a little reversal, but damn, that was the volatility in the market across the market is going nuts right now. Look at Apple. Apple is up to 212.
Is Apple trying to go to $300? Like, what the fuck is going on right now? Like,
yeah, Nvidia is about to break all-time highs again, bro. Whoever said Nvidia was about to sell off after a stock split, they was wrong.
Oh, Justice throwing shots. Oh, got it. I see what you did there. I was like, oh, he's talking about me.
I told you it won't coming down, House. I told you it was gonna pump.
You did.
They're not done buying it. They're not done.
Bro, please don't pump out of this with a gap up candle. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Do not have a big ass buyer come in this and send this shit. Please don't. I'm begging, market. Don't do it.
They're about to take 42. They're taking
42. They're
taking 42.
You see all that liquidity up there? I'm like, please don't do what I think you're about to do. Thank you. Come down. Come on. Just come back down to 34 and come fuck with your boy, bro. Like that's all I need, bro.
They want it.
I dare you to give me the same look you gave me yesterday. Come on.
They want it. Here they come.
I just want to hear one person come in the chat and say, I'm looking to get short right here. Please. Just somebody say it so I can lose my fucking shit today. Please.
They're all pretty quiet right now.
I just want to see it.
Oh there it is.
God. There it goes.
Yeah, one stop. Apple has been asleep forever, and this week to the moon.
Yo, they've been consolidating. They've been building liquidity for a minute, and they running it like they just created something new. They said, "Y'all got tap to pay, all-time highs." What? Yo, what?
Yeah, they do got Apple Pay.
Yo, but they said,
but now you can tap the phone.
You can tap phones. All-time highs. Let's go.
Yep.
What? All right.
Jay said he's done at Panther Pride, whatever Panther Pride is.
Shit. No.
He's like, the macro. Son, you gotta stay there, bro. You gotta stay. I can't leave yet. You gotta stay. It's too juicy.
Yo, the kids, bro. I swear to God, if I go to get this little motherfucker and this shit pull back into this shit, I would be like, son, I love you and all that, but yo, check it out. Next time, your ass walking home. Oh. Mine are too, but damn.
That's like Friday. Friday, I gotta get my daughter at noon. I'm about to be so hurt if the market does some incredible shit on Friday.
I think I better go now. I better go. Well, the macro's here.
He like market. Whatever you do, just continue to pump.
Yeah,
just don't you come back down.
I'm coming, son. Just give me 1 second. Keep the liquidity at 500, guys. This was the projected 3.3% move. Notice how they're loading up this area. They're gonna run this, but just a thesis playing out, right? Like we called this level on Sunday, and shockingly, they're loading 172 orders up there at 19,500. Shit is not a game.
It's not a game.
It's not a fucking game. They're gonna run that liquidity though.
Oh my God, bro. Easy pump. Diagonal call spreads winning again. Let's go, Kyle.
Let's get it.
All right, we're in this macro now, so let's see what we do.
I just want to trade down a little bit, bro. I don't need much.
Drop it for me. Drop it like it's hot. Be like Drake. Drop and give me 50 points to the downside.
How is this little nigga done already? Like, what's the point of being up there for an hour and a half? What y'all do? Sniff the weights? Shit.
What y'all do? Sniff the weights?
The fuck? Like, yeah, let me get it. Yeah, he getting ready for football, and they do football crazy up here. All right, a lot of people filling those orders. You can see all those buy orders got filled on the time and sales, so those were true orders. Sell orders got filled.
And Q.
Bro, relax, NQ. All right, 950. Here we come. Come on down.
Yeah, ES is trying to retrace, but it doesn't make me feel good that NQ just continues to lose its mind. Oh my, Apple's at 213.70. Oh my God, Apple.
Right, man.
Oh my, Microsoft.
Shut up, Justin. Shut up.
We're not gonna down,
shut up. Yeah.
What could happen if there's rate cuts later on today? All hell is gonna break loose.
Yes.
All hell.
Justin is the definition of euphoria.
I'm 6K. I'm not eating on none of this. Nice job.
I know. You making me want to go on to this kid.
I have zero FOMO, But Jesus Christ, I'm just over here watching these
All
stocks.
right, let me go get my kid. I need a mental break, guys. I need a mental break.
They are going for it.
Watch out for 34 through roughly about 20. I hate my kids. I love my kids. I hate my kids.
Walk.
I'm gonna send their ass an Uber. That's
not a bad. That's not a bad idea.
I feel like Jonah would do that shit. He's like, hey, listen here, check this out. Y'all about to take this Uber. Tom's gonna come pick y'all up.
Oh my God.
All right, man. I'll be back, family. I gotta go.
Billy from the buyers to go pick them up.
Watch 34 to 25 for pullbacks if we pull back, but don't try to pull back at all. So.
Don't give them that false hope. We ain't coming down. Robert says, good to see people that look like you in the game. Thanks. Doing a good thing for the culture. Appreciate it. Shay said, you better not put my baby in an Uber. We going to 19,600. 10 a.m. ain't even start. Yeah. I think we're going higher. Hope we get that pullback though. 19,600 on NQ. It looks like ES is trying to come down though. Looks like we may get that retracement.
Might have to jump on Top Step X Mobile, Justin.
Oh, I mean, hey, it's an option. Just don't crash. Don't crash while you're looking at these damn charts while you're driving.
Mr. Long, he might be his child.
He gonna be on top of the next trying to get long and get into a car accident. You better not get into an accident trying to long this market.
Anybody peep that 950 macro? Must be random. No way this comes down at the exact time, right? No way.
Still
long. He said me. I mean, it don't look bad on NQ, honestly. We're not really dropping as aggressively as we are on ES. Kyle said Miss Hobbs calling the shots here.
It's just gonna do it dramatically.
Yeah, I wanted to drop dramatically. Come on. There we go.
God, Apple is still going ham right now. Apple's not chilling.
Justin, you did you see the macro?
I see it. We're coming down. I see it.
35, thinking Justin.
Yeah, we can see what they do at 35, but I was more inclined to look for 30 as well.
34 to 27 on the macro.
As long as the MQ is still dropping.
Jay, check the delta at 32.25.
32.
Shit, my wife's calling. I gotta go. I'm about to get in trouble.
Yeah, I see there's a lot of buying going on right here. We're in a low volume node here, so I'm hoping we could get the bounce here at 37. This might be the bounce. This is happening really fast though. Nah, I think that was it. They just bought that right back up. Jesus. In one candle too. In one candle. Yeah. If they go and break the high with this 1 minute candle, oh no, they're not gonna do it. But that's a bullish candle if I've ever seen one. It's like a 5 minute, 1 minute candle. That was 4 points in 1 minute, and they ain't stopped. Oh my god. Well, that was the pullback. We just didn't spend no time. They pulled back. They ate them shorts up for breakfast, and now they broke the high again. Yep. Why'd you put? Oh, did you put your stop there? Because that was the. But that area right there, that on NQ, that area was really nice consolidation. We pulled back into that consolidation on the 1 minute, and then now we're rallying up off of it. We didn't really get that on ES, but on NQ, that was really nice. Let's see though. If we break the high and continue,
No.
it might not be over with yet. I mean, we still got Papa Pow. I think it's at 2 and 2:30. Oh well, yeah, maybe 1 o'clock your time. Yeah. Sup, Jay? Did you want the VC coming through on YouTube? I don't even know if we can do that, to be honest. I don't know if we can share audio like that and not share the screen. I mean, I guess if you know how to do it, that'd be kind of fire. At Shay just called Hobbs. He said, I'm about to get in trouble. Yeah. Yep, got in NQ there, and now I'm out. Yeah, nice. Invalidation, we come back to 460. Yeah, I'd like to see us break this high. It looks like we're about to. Okay, Timsky, how do you do it? Off of we're on StreamYard, which I'm assuming, you know, I would actually like to know, because that's actually kind of dope, because I can play audio without having to show it, which is kind of fire. Man, this music is so dramatic today. It's such dramatic music. We just broke the high, and we're failing. I still wouldn't short this, though. But it looks like a nice little double top on NQ, potentially. I still wouldn't short this, though. I still think it's way too early to try to short the market. You could just be falling into a really nice bear trap. No, I mean, it sounds like they're on speakerphone getting picked up on your mic. Oh. That might be through Hobbs then. You're probably hearing it through him. Yeah, you're probably hearing it through him. What if I do this? I didn't know what you meant. Is that can you hear it now? I bet you can't hear him. There's no way you're hearing him through me. I bet you he left his headphones right next to the mic. Yep. Okay. Cool. Thanks, Timsky. Yeah, it was Hobbs. It was he left his headphones right by the mic. All right. Looks like we're pulling up. Maybe not. There's definitely some selling going on in the market. Finally. But Apple is still trying to push. Oh my god, I know. Apple is still trying to push. It looks like Nvidia might be flagging out here. Microsoft is kind of flagging as well, potentially. If Apple goes to 218 today and continues to lose its mind, I mean that's $4, but that's that'd be like $11, $12 on the day for Apple, which would be insane. Apple's already up almost 4% on the day. Good lord. Losing its mind. Bruh. SMCI is up $20 on the day. Jesus Christ. That's another chip maker stock. I think they're Chinese, but that's nuts. They are expensive. Oh, here comes Apple again. 215. Apple's going nuts. Yeah, we're gonna continue. I mean, Apple's trying to go. Nvidia's trying to push out now. Jesus. Here's another shot at the Apple to go long on NQ down at that low. Maybe we're flagging, kind of consolidating on NQ. and then ES is kind of flagging as well. This is insane. Don't short the market. Don't do it. Valdez, you got long on that pullback? That pullback of the pullback? Yeah. Looks like there might be a little bit of a lack of buying up there, but the only way I'm getting short is if we see selling. I'm open to shorting the market, but not until they start selling this. Until then, all these shorts are just going to become trapped. It looks like but you know what I do like here though? I think we're building structure here on ES. Let me check NQ, but I think we're building some nice structure. Yeah, we're building some nice structure here. We're consolidating, moving sideways. So if we do rip up out of here, then at least that'll give me an area to potentially look to long the market later on. Like if we consolidate here for a minute and we put in, maybe we create like a 15-minute demand or something like that, I can look to long the market. Hell, we might even kind of put 15-minute demand earlier on. Let me check some higher time frames and see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, we did. We put in 15-minute demand here up at 32. Let's see. Also 30-minute demand as well. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. So maybe we see, yeah, at 32.50. At 32.50, we put in some new demand. So let's see if later on today we pull back into that for like FOMC or something, because FOMC is going to be, they'll sell off FOMC somewhat. Hopefully, they'll sell before they go higher to get a better price for FOMC. Because if we run all day today until FOMC, there's no way that they're not going to take some type of profit during FOMC only to run it up higher. It's just a matter of how high we end up actually going. But yeah, I like the demand that we created. So I think there's a good opportunity. There's a good opportunity here to potentially long the market on a pullback. I'll show you on my screen real fast so you can see what I'm looking at. I would short very cautiously, trading your girl. I would short very cautiously. Well, yeah. I mean, think about it like this. No longs are in pain right now, right? Like all the longs are eating. So there's no, like, if you short up here, you're basically being like the first seller, right? And it like about to say, it could work, but like the likelihood of it working is super small. We have this, sellers have been getting ate up all day. Look at the pullback that we got between 9:52 and 9:54. All those people who thought we were going short, they all just lost. All these shorts that came in between 9:57 and 9:59, they all lost, right? So like I would not look to short this market. If you're going to short the market, let the market sell off first before you short it, because right now longs are just winning. Yeah, I wouldn't long it without a deeper pullback. I'm looking for 32. Here we're starting to get some more selling coming in now. I mean, think how much we moved already on the day. Like we were, how many points are we up on the day? We're up 57 points on the day on ES and 245 points on NQ. And this is just the start. Probably going to go higher, honestly. But there could be some possible absorption going on up here at these highs. There's a lot of pretty high delta going on. A lot of buying isn't getting rewarded. So let's see if we sell down and see if we can get with the trend. But if we start breaking levels, like I personally, I'm open to shorting the market, but we got to get below some structure first. Yeah. The longer we stay up here, the more acceptance we have. That's why I was saying I want to see us consolidate here for a little bit, accept price, move higher, and then we can look for the retest of this consolidation to go long, because that's basically what we got here, right? Like the price got accepted in this box, or well, you guys are seeing the tape if you're not watching YouTube. So we got accepted. Yeah, we got accepted in this box here, which is the same box on the tape. Like this box was all acceptance, right? So if we accept and then we move higher, right? Now we're back to consolidating. So people are loading up into longs and shorts here. Buyers and sellers are agreeing on price. And then if we move up higher, then we can look to long the market on a pullback. If we go down lower and we break through this previous acceptance, we can look for the retest to potentially short the market. But until that happens, I think that this is just more of a guess which way we're going to go. Like I would much rather allow the market to choose a direction first and then play the retest of the direction. Right now the direction is up, so if I was going to do anything, I'd be looking to long the market. It's just there's not a very good risk to reward here. Like if I were to long the market here, like let's just say I took a long right here, then either my invalidation has to come at this low, which isn't too bad, but this low isn't really protected. So my invalidation would have to be this low, and now I'm risking 14 points. So for me to even get a 2-to-1, I got to get 30 points, right? Is it possible? Sure, it's possible, but I mean, I got to sit through a lot. So that's the reason why I wouldn't take this trade. If I wanted to take this trade, I'd want to get it down here, where now my risk is a lot more minimal, right? So, and then I can target this high here first, and then above that high. So that's why I'm pretty much just chilling right now. We got to pull back. We got to give a nice pullback for me to want to long this market. Yeah, well, FOMC, yeah. Yeah, FOMC is gonna be nuts. We'll probably, well, I don't know what we're gonna do for FOMC. I want to sit here and predict like I know, but I mean, if they cut rates, I think we'll see a sharp rally if they cut rates. In my opinion, I think that's what will most likely happen, but we'll see. Yeah, we're just trading sideways right now, so. Yeah, we're trading sideways, but there's a lot of selling going on right now on the tape, so we'll see what happens. I'll tell y'all what, though. You put CPI and FOMC, it gets the people going. People be showing up. They're like, yeah, CPI, FOMC, let's make some money. What's 465? Why, hey, Potts, why do you think 465 is a buy? Is that a, well, no, IBOM does the fair value gap inside of a fair value gap, the fair value gapception. This shit just looks like we're consolidated. This looks like we're flagging. Looks like we oops. Looks like we flagged here. Or yeah, we basically flagged here. And now it looks like we're putting in another flag. Yeah, it's like perfect consolidation on NQ. So I think we're accepting price. I think we're flagging here to go higher. I don't think they're going to give up this low. And NQ looks really, really nice. Like you could have literally been just long in the low and shorting the high back and forth. But I would probably look to long the lows and just try to hold it until we break above 500. I bet you on the tape. Let me look at the tape real fast. Just switch it. Yeah, this consolidation is like perfect. Oh yeah, we're gonna go. Yeah, NQ's gonna break out of this to the bullish side. I don't think we're going to 65. I think we're gonna break out of this flag to the upside, in my opinion. And just looking at the tape and seeing what I'm seeing on the tape, I think we're gonna go. And I think ES is gonna follow. We'll see though. If this flag pattern fails, it's not gonna be good for the Bulls though. I will say that. But yeah, we're flagging here too. This is crazy. All right, what are we gonna do? We're gonna finally push up out of here. Anybody trying to take this long in this flag? I think this breakout might be pretty violent. We'll see. We're just building. So I'd much rather allow this all to break because we're consolidating here. Let's say we're not going to create a damn supply zone though. The crucial's long. Let's go to crucial. Yeah, I mean, I still think longs are very, very valid. Here comes the breakout, or trying to break out anyway. NQ's also going for it. Yep, there goes NQ. See, the tape is speeding up on ES with way more volume. We're about to pop. There goes NQ with the breakout. Let's go. Eat the crucial. Eat. Apple's kind of, oh my God, look at NVIDIA. Jesus Christ. NVIDIA new all-time high. Breaking over its previous all-time high. Man, they are eating right now. Microsoft's kind of slowing down though. Google's been coming down, and Apple looks like it's kind of consolidating here. But Nvidia's going for it. Nvidia's breaking over its all-time high, and as long as Nvidia continues to rally, it'll take NQ with it, and probably ES as well. Especially if Apple starts to get going too. Oh my God. You don't even know why that's even more funny. Yum Cookie Monster. That's funny. Yeah, NQ. Yep, NQ is breaking out. You see, ES is breaking out. My God, this is nuts. $60. Let's go, Trista. Eat, Trista. Yeah, that structure was really nice, and it was bullish more than bearish, and it's not failing. We're going. I mean, hell, it's 21, 30 points already from the low. ES is up from the low where we were looking at that pullback. ES is already up 10 points. And the crazy thing is, like, the volume is stupid high right now, too. Like, we have a lot of volume today. All right, be careful here. Definitely want to see this breakout kind of continue. We don't want to see it fail. We could come back down and retest this 43 level where we broke out from, but I want to see us continue to expand away. I want to see pullbacks continue to get eaten up. Same thing with NQ. NQ kind of has some nice consolidation here, some miniature consolidation. So I definitely want to see us stay above this 500. It makes sense that we kind of consolidated at 500 and then broke out of it. I want to see us continue to rally up away from here. VIX is still coming down too. We're below 14 and still pushing. And Nvidia is still rocket shipping. Good lord. Move my stop +5 free trade. Let's go. What do we do to the market? We injected the bulls injected their bullishness into the market. The CPI, man. CPI came out super bullish, and now we got FOMC later on today. CPI month over month went down to 0%. CPI year over year went down to 3.3%, down 0.1%, and core CPI went down from 0.3 to 0.2. So CPI not only beat on expectations, but it also lowered throughout. All the numbers went down. So I think they all expected that. I think they all expected for CPI to beat, which is why the market rallied so crazy. I actually don't. Let me check the Fed tool and see what they're expecting. Normally the Fed tool is pretty on point for what they think is going to happen with interest rates. I forgot to look at this. I haven't looked at it in a while. Let's see. So the Fed tool is saying that it's a 99.9% chance that they are going to keep interest rates the exact same. They're not going to cut. There's a 99.9% chance with a 0.1% chance that they increase, which is definitely not going to happen. But they don't have a rate cut happening. Yeah. So it looks like right now, even next month, they have an unchanged, or yeah, next month is even unchanged as well. And then there's not another after July, there's not another meeting until September. So they skip August. But yeah, there's a 0.1% chance that they ease, but a 99.9% chance that they don't change it at all is what they're looking at. So I guess what'll be interesting with that information is if they don't end up changing the interest rate, like if the market, because the CME tool, the CME group, that's what a lot of the hedge funds and stuff look at to see what they think is going to happen as far as us coming down or us staying the same. So if they pivot today, and there was a 99.9% chance that they weren't going to pivot, they weren't going to ease, this market's going to go crazy. But if they have no change, then it's probably I think we might dump. Actually, I think there could be there could be a dump in the market, especially after what we saw.
Bro, is Apple at 215?
We'll see.
Are you fucking serious? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Nvidia made new all-time highs. Nvidia is up to 126, or it went as high as 126.41.
This is the equivalent of 1227, 1226.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. You take that as a retracement?
No, it happened so quick, and we took off so fast. I was hoping for a little bit of consolidation or something.
Did it take off at 9:55? Yep. Shocker.
iBomb said, "I'm married to an economist," which is her explanation. Okay. We're consolidating again.
My son tried to. He didn't try to, but we got a little bit of a coolant leak on my wife's car, so we don't drive it that much, but I always like check the antifreeze before we go, and he's been checking it, and he checked it this morning and put antifreeze in it, and we were driving to his camp, And when we got there, like the car was smoking. So like I kept it in the back of my mind. I was like, I'm gonna check that before we bounce, before I leave out. So I came back to check the antifreeze. This man didn't even put the top on, y'all. I had freaking antifreeze all over the engine block. Like, I was like, bro, you trying to kill us? Like, bro. Yeah, exit well his pocket. It ain't gonna be my pocket. Shit. I'm fine with no extra. We only need one car. We don't need two cars. We only need one. We need two, so that I'm good with it. Like, it is what it is. If it's in guys playing, he gonna look. If it's in guys playing, he just take the car, take it on to Valhalla. It's fine. We'll be all right. Yeah, he take them all out. Bro, we about to go up again.
Yep.
There's 500 orders at 54.50. We're going up again. I'm over this market already. Like, I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. You better like this shit. You've been long since the bottom down there. Oh, okay. Yeah, 950, 1010 macro did its thing. It did exactly what I wanted it to do, but I mean, damn, I thought we would get the thing about the macros, like for me, like you just never know how low it's gonna go, obviously, but I mean, it follows structure to the T. 54.37 was the entry. I wanted a little bit lower, but again, it was like yesterday, where it's like, oh yeah, I want this level, but this level is 3 points lower. But I also had to go. Like I was too distracted to take this trade. I'm a little salty about it though. I'm not gonna lie. Boom, boom.
Looks like we're gonna go up and get that liquidity. A lot of people are probably trying to take profit at 50. I think what we'll probably end up seeing as we continue to move up is every 5 to 10 points on ES, they'll probably put a lot of liquidity there for people who are trying to take profit more than anything else.
I want to know.
Think, like, there's no structure above us, so.
Oh, I've thought about it. I want to know who are the 47 and 42% of people on Top Step that's short right now. That's what I want to know. I want to know who is brave enough to be short in this fucking market right now. Like, that's the real question. Like, on Top Step X, it says 47% of people are short right now. Like, right now. On S&P, and 42% are short on the Nasdaq. Who are these people? I need to go and give them a shoulder tap right now.
You know what's funny is that they're short and 49%, which means 100% of them are all losing.
That's what I'm like, bro. Like, hey man, hey. There's no red candles. Why are you shorting this market? What are you doing? I want to know what they see. Like, because I mean, the fifth, bro.
Yeah,
like
we're at all-time highs. We can't go up any higher. We gotta short this.
You do not short all-time highs, bro. You're just gonna become liquidity. Essentially, everybody is in profit, and everybody is a buyer at all-time highs. I don't even care if you're selling. If you're selling, you still have to buy to get out of your position. So you're also a buyer. Nobody's a seller up here until they start selling. Until everybody starts selling, everybody's a buyer. So theoretically speaking, there's no sellers in the market right now. All I can do is wait. I refuse. I will walk away from this market before I take a long up here. I fucking refuse. It will not happen. At this point, I'm a spectator and I'm watching the fireworks right now.
Me too.
The only way I was gonna get long is on that pullback, and I had to go on that pullback. And I wasn't gonna take the CPI candle. I wasn't here for this.
Here we go again.
Yeah, I'll see y'all at 1 p.m. Bro.
Oh my god!
This is gonna be a PM session type of day.
Nvidia's making a new all-time high right now. It looks like Apple's consolidating to go higher.
I really hate when I'm right, but I can't.
Good lord! Good lord! The crucial. We doggy. Eat. Antifreeze smells crazy.
I've been calling
I did
this
that as a
shit.
teen. I got in trouble. I don't even know what the smell of antifreeze is. I've never had to actually put antifreeze in my car. Luckily, never had that problem.
Antifreeze smells like wet dog. Yeah.
Gross.
Yeah, you normally don't have to do it for the newer cars, but my wife has an older. It's not older. It's like a Chevy Cruze, but she had like a coolant system replacement, and clearly they did a great job because it's leaking again.
Clearly, they did a great job. Fuck
Clearly,
those guys.
clearly they did an awesome job because, well, it's leaking again.
Let's go, Emmett. Go ahead and eat, brother. Go ahead and eat. At this point, it's just like wait for consolidation, wait for the low to tap a couple times, and then just get in long.
Bro, we should have just got long at 6 p.m. yesterday.
Facts. There was that too.
That's the only time I would have seen a decent entry. Just, bro, like, Justin, I'm just gonna take longs in Tokyo, bro, and hold this shit all day. Like, this shit ain't coming down.
Oh my God.
It's not a bad strategy, bro. Like 6 p.m. If you got long at 6 p.m. yesterday, bro, like you would never be not in profit. God. 6 p.m. was the bottom. God. At 6 p.m. we opened up at 53.81, bro. We haven't seen that level since. We haven't seen that level since. Oh my God, NQ's over 3%. I guess we're going to 5%. And like Jonah's saying, I got nothing. I got no words. I have no words for this market other than go, baby, go. Make y'all money because I'm not making shit right now.
This is
Literally
crazy.
replaced all the hoses. Yeah, I know, babe. And the shit's still leaking. But
Let's look at
probably didn't help that you drove it across country, but that's just me being I can't. I got nothing, bro. I can't do nothing. I
think
yeah,
Nvidia about to hit 130 today.
Oh no! Nobody got the pullback. I feel better now. No, I didn't.
It was quick. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like when the market does this, it doesn't. Zip. Wrong again.
Yeah. It was a 1 minute candle that went for 4 points. We just watched it. We was like, yeah, that was the candle right there. That was it.
Just take it off time, bro. Like that's the 59.55. That's the equilibrium right there. That's what my plan was, but I didn't want to leave my son stranded. And then when I saw antifreeze was all over the engine block, I was like, I should have left your ass up there and made you walk home. Could have took my trade. Jerry West passed? Oh damn.
Dang. Yep. 86.
RIP.
Jerry West. A lot of NBA players are dying recently. No, not Bill Russell. What was his name?
Bill Walton.
The one for Bill Walton. There you go. He just passed too. Yeah.
They're older. Jerry West was the person responsible for that Golden State Warrior team too, wasn't he? He was like the advisor for them.
Nice, Mike.
I think he was like an advisor for them.
That's
all right. We got a strong demand push out of 43.75 on the 5 minute. I'm looking to take longs if we can come back into there. We haven't filled any gaps. Like every time we try to fill a gap, the market's just like, nope, that's good enough. Go up. The market is in very, very, very rare form for me. I have zero desire to trade it. I will go do something else, like touch grass.
Not only is it in rare form, but also the amount of volume in the market today is astronomically high.
Yeah, Kobe hurt. That Kobe one hurt, man. That shit hurt. Here's the shorts.
Yeah, all right. Kobe was untimely as hell.
Yeah, that shit hurt.
No one saw that coming.
This is the short.
This is the short. Go long. Fade him. Fade Hobbs. Fade him.
I'm not sure. Okay, let me clarify. I'm not shorting this shit at all. Right? That's something I'm not doing. But I think this might be the short to come down. "30 seconds later, zip." It just goes zip. Let's see how many people are short. What's up? Funded. Yeah, I would say trade it like you would trade a 50K. Yeah, trade it like you trade the 50K account. That's what I would say. Is just take one mini and take quality setups. That's it. Like you don't need to rush because yeah, if you take one mini though, right? Like within a month, you'll grow the account and you could trade two minis, right? Like don't focus on the payout. Focus on the process of taking quality trades. It's your account. You've already paid for it. It's your account. You can't. Only way you blow it is if you go on tilt. You have over $6,000 in drawdown, which means that one mini can do a lot of damage, but it also means the losses can't hurt you as much. You just have to like really commit to taking quality trade setups and you'll be able to grow that account significantly. That's the beauty of the 250K, because once you get it to a payout, you'll never not be able to get it to a payout because you'll have so much drawdown that you can take the max payout and still have enough drawdown to continue to fund the account, right? So trade it like you would a 50K. You know that you probably YOLO to get it funded, but you got it now, right? Like you're in the holy grail of funded accounts, in my opinion. Yeah, he's funded. You're in the he funded 3 more today. So you're in the holy grail of funded accounts, and your monthly payment isn't a lot at all for the ones that you're waiting to pay to get funded. So just hold on to those. You got those in the bag, and just trade with one mini, man. There's no rush in this shit. Just grow that shit, right? Today is a good day to grow. Yeah, bye-bye shorts. You want to know how many people were short on Top Step X? 53% on that one push down. And they all got smoked. I was just watching it real time, and as soon as that dump came, it jumped to 53%. So when I say dump, I use that word lightly because they're all watching a 1 minute chart. That's all, which is fine. You know, Mike says I caught 15 points on NQ off the bounce of 87 when I decided to stop trying to short the top. Only where you've been trying to short this shit, bro. Hey, brave. 1 to 3 to break even, might call it, and take the kids to the pool. LOL. Yeah, I'm in 250K funded. My goal is 660 to 1,000. Yeah, well, only 2 minis, but I'm selective now on my trades. Exactly. Like there's no rush, bro. Like your goal is to get to the money. Get to the money, and you have a 250K. The drawdown is clickbait. It's fake. It's to get you to fail. So don't put yourself in a position that you can fail. Only trade with a calculated stop loss that invalidates your trade. Only trade with one mini, right? Talk to Pip. This man, I ain't even gonna put his business out there. Let's just say he has a significant amount of accounts of large size with significant amounts past the drawdown. But he still only trades 1 to 2 minis, and sometimes he strategically adds more based on what structure is doing. But his goal is to grow the accounts. And if you just be consistent every day with the proper size, you will grow the account. So that would be my advice to you. But yep. And you're not going to get there if you start saying, fuck it, I'm going to do what got me here, which is trading 5 or 10 minis, right? Like you start doing that shit, you can say goodbye to that drawdown because you're just not good enough yet. Right. And that's okay to say, like, that's a real thing, right? Like everybody's not good enough to control 5 fucking minis. You're not, right? That's not something that you should be trying to do to rush to get to the funded. No, stay in your lane. Your lane was I YOLO'd this bitch because the prop firms gave it to me for 16 goddamn dollars and I got it funded for 85. Great. Okay, so what you gonna do after that? You gonna keep playing 5 or 10 minis? Or you gonna say, you know what? I got an opportunity here to change my family life in the next 6 months, right? And all I got to do is trade 1 mini to do it. I got a video idea that's going to come out later called 1 mini to $1 million. And it has to do with Apex, right? It's a thought process that I have when it comes to Apex. But in order to get to that point, you have to get rid of all of the inefficiencies in your trading. One of my inefficiencies is FOMO. Well, today I got massive FOMO, but I'm not acting on it. I'm not acting on it because I know exactly what I want to do. I know about the time frame that I want to do it in, and I also know what I'm waiting to see before that happens. So I'm not going to randomly jump into a short. I'm not going to randomly long the market just because it has an opportunity there. No, I'm going to wait for my setup. I'm going to be disciplined enough to sit here and watch this stupid fucking price action, right? I don't got to be happy about it, but I'm going to do it, right? Because I know when my setup arrives and it's a quality setup, I'm going to take it, no hesitation. I'm going to put my trade on and I'm going to be able to accept that risk because I was patient enough to wait for my opportunity. And that's what you got to work on. That's the process that you have to eliminate. Eliminating the inefficiencies is the toughest part of your process. It's going to be the hardest thing you got to do, to look yourself in the mirror and understand that, yeah, today you made a couple grand in a sleazy ass way, right? Or what I would call a sleazy way because it doesn't fit my plan. Doesn't mean that it's a bad plan. It's just the market's going straight up. It's easy for me to throw a dart at this shit, get long, and fucking make money. But I don't want to make it that way. And that's my choice, right? I prefer to wait for my setup because that's what I want to do every day. If the market rallies 100 more points from here, but it doesn't give me my setup, I'm not going to trade the market. And that's okay, right? I'm not going to be upset about it. I'm not going to look back and say I could have done this and could have done that because I know the reasons why I haven't gotten long yet. I can make excuses, hindsight, and say where I could have gotten long, but I know that that's not in my plan. I know what is in my plan, which is wait for this shit to calm down, wait for a significant pullback that I view significant, and then get into the market. Other than that, I'm not touching this shit. So that's discipline. Like, that's true discipline for me, right? Discipline for me is going to be different for you because to you, you could think, well, Hobbs, my risk was managed. I got into the trade and I'm fucking killing this shit. That's still discipline because you knew that if you were going to get in, you needed to manage your risk. That's a good trade. I'm talking about my plan, not your plan. I'm just giving you my thesis on how I want to move, how I want to move moving forward. So stop out for 2,300. Go ahead, brother.
What I would say is that you got to think about it. You got to think about it like this. If can you repeat today? Like, can you repeat the money that you made today? Probably not. And the only reason why is because, like Hobbs was saying, I mean, any of us could just throw a dart at the board long and make money potentially, right? Like right now the market's coming down, but I mean, it's pretty easy to just get long anywhere here, anywhere in here, anywhere in here, and you'd be making money right now, right? But that's not repeatable because if we scroll back to, let me go to like a 15 minute. If we come back to in here in the chop, right? In some of these choppy environments, like right here, right? Going long, going short could have been a bad thing because the market's coming up, it's coming down, it's coming up, it comes down, it comes back up. Like, can you repeat, just go long and fuck it? No, you can't. You have to have an actual strategy to trade in this, right? The market consolidated for like 4 or 5 days straight where, yeah, the market came up, the market came down, but you couldn't just long the market and, throw it at a dartboard and just hold it all day, right? Like you could today. I know some of these moves are pretty extreme, but at the same time, there had to be some strategy behind it, right? So you need to develop something that you can do every single day because days like this are very, very rare. I mean, they're becoming significantly less rare recently, but
I know, right?
they are still pretty rare days where we move like this. So just whatever you do, run it up today because today is a day to run it up, but have a plan for every day, right? Have a plan and a system you can repeat because if you can't repeat it, then you're just going to lose the money, right? If you can't repeat a $1,500 day or a $2,000 day or a $3,000 day consistently over the long run, then the money that you made today is just going to go away slowly over time. It's going to evaporate. That 6K that you made or 5K or 4K, if you don't know how to trade, then you're just going to slowly lose it. So, that's what I would add on to that.
The market giveth and the market taketh away. The
And
goal of the
much
market,
faster than it gives.
the goal of the market is to take away from those that know and give to those that do know, right? So all of the people that's making all of this good money, but they don't have a process, next week or the week after or sometime soon, the market's going to go into an era that it's going to require you to have a system and not just dart it, right? Ask the people that traded in COVID how much money they got now, right? If they didn't learn a system, they made a lot of money, right? But if they continued to trade when that bear market came and the motherfuckers couldn't just long the market, I'm telling you, learn the process, because the process is going to hold true every day, right? Every single day, I'm trying to do the same shit. Today, I had to go when my time frame came. Yesterday, my time frame came and I did not trade the market, right? Today, I knew where I wanted to trade. I knew what I wanted to do. I just didn't have the time to sit here and do it because I had to go get my child. And that's okay. Like, my child's more important than the market. So now, as we're starting to, pull back a bit, I'm cool with it. But I know where I want to trade now, right? I know that I have a 5-minute demand zone, an imbalance between 43.75, right, and roughly about 40 or 54.39, right? I know that's where I want to participate in price. But if the market says, hey, I'm going to rally from here, then it's just creating another consolidation gap and go. I don't want to trade that, right? So if that's what the market is going to do all day, then I was just ain't going to take a trade. And I'm cool with that. Some people will look like, bro, the market rallied 60 points. You ain't trade? No, I didn't. And I'm completely comfortable with that. So just my thoughts. Again, you guys can adapt whatever, system works for you. That's just how I'm viewing the market for the rest of the year, right? So that's just what I want to do. That's how I want to trade. And, I think that that's a more sustainable way annually, right, to trade the markets. So
it looks like the market is starting to sell down. We got Apple's trying to take off, but Nvidia's getting some pretty strong selling and is retesting its previous all-time high currently, as well as Google coming down.
Just put in any type of high.
And Microsoft is kind of trying to rally. Oh my God, we literally just, bro, what the? That candle bounced off of its all-time high so quick. Oh my God. Abom said markets act differently in an election year. From statistically perspective, check out the website called Equity Clock. Pretty helpful. That makes sense. Yeah, like they're running up the stock market because it makes whatever president looks good. That's a good point.
Yeah, I agree. It's a good point.
Good shit, Hobbs. Play the long game. Mm-hmm. Nice trade to Crucial. You better preach, says John.
Jonah, I told you them was the shorts. Oh, 100%. I don't fucking care about the shorts. You can dump this shit. All right, here's 43 being tapped into right now. Let's see what we get. I hear you, bro. I hear you.
Yeah, this is another area of strong buying, and that we're retesting that consolidation now.
What's that 54.40 on the tape?
My God, these bounces are so aggressive.
Yeah, there's just like no consolidation, bro. Like they just tap and go. Like, all right, we hit it. Get in now, or we're gone. It's crazy.
Okay,
yeah, I was definitely too hesitant yesterday.
Put on the
definitely get that pullback, but
yeah, we bounced right off of that low volume cut right there.
Yeah.
Let's see what we do though. We are nowhere near VWAP. We are so far away from VWAP, it's not even funny.
Yeah, that's why we need to consolidate for a little bit so VWAP can catch the fuck back up. This shit don't look like they want to consolidate it all down here. Come on.
They just trapping shorts. Here we go again.
Nuts, bro.
This is what happened to me and Valdez. We
This
were
is-
watching it and we were just like, what?
This is fucking nuts, bro. This shit crazy. Look at fucking NQ, bro. Like this shit. Come on, man. I'm about to go. I'm about to go, bro. Like this shit is fucking nuts, bro. Mm-mm.
These pullbacks. If we break above 50, this thing's going. I'll be
What up, Pip?
old.
Shit, just been trying to short this market all morning, getting green. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Yeah, that motherfucking Pip was about to have a fucking heart attack. Oh, what? Point it to me. Hey. No. Me and Justin flat. We flat. We didn't like the well, I mean, you could look at the market and tell how I trade. You know I wasn't gonna trade this shit. But yeah, we just chilling.
Yeah, we about to be up out of here again. There was your pullback.
Yeah. No, I wasn't. No, ain't nobody looking for shorts. We was just hoping for a decent pullback. NQ gave a nice one. ES was like, nah, that's all you getting. Yeah, PM session. Yeah. Yep. That's what I'm that's kind of where my brain is at right now. So
The VIX is starting to kind of pop up here a little bit. Looks like shorts are starting to kind of come into the market. if I'm going to short this market, if I was going to be open to shorting it, I'd want to see shorts really get going. But instead, I'm not super interested.
Yes, I agree. I think that it's an interesting conversation, but I think Jonah agrees with you too. He was just curious, like the history of everything. Like, have you ever seen it? Just trying to get perspective. But ultimately, we're not looking to trade the fundamentals basically, because you just never know, right? But at the same time, it's all priced in, and that's kind of what I was saying. Where this rally, although it's aggressive, I could see a rug pull coming very soon because the market got what it wanted. The market finally got what it wanted, right? Like the market's been waiting on 0.2% on core CPI, and they finally got it. So this rally makes everybody bullish, and it's crazy and ridiculous, and it's just the right recipe to pull the rug. So, yep, yeah. So, and that's why, like, I'm just watching how price is moving. Like, we're not filling any fair value gaps. Like, we're just going straight up, and that's again something that the market does when we're getting close to contract rollover, because it knows the contract's going to roll over anyway. It may not have to fill those gaps at all, right? Because when the new contract comes out, we're just going to be at like 5,500 anyway on ES. We'll be at like 20,000, 21,000, and these gaps will be forgotten about. So they'll be kind of like factored into the market. So when the market starts to skip a beat like this, and it's not giving any entries for pullbacks, it's doing it for a reason. And the reason is more likely because of the contract rollover, right? Like, so when it does stuff like this, I'm cool with it. I understand it. And if I can get an entry that I like, I'll take it. But the market's not giving me anything that I like. So I'm just not going to take it. Like, my hand's off the wheel. I'm chilling. I'm relaxing. I got PM session coming up. I'll take my ass for a walk. Right? Like, I'm not fucking touching this market. Like, not until it gives me what I want. Right? So ultimately, yes, I 100% agree with you. Just to answer your question, I go into rants about other shit, but yeah. Yeah, my bad. You know how I get. You know how I get, Jonah. You know how I get. Y'all know what it is. He's like, House, what the fuck just happened, bro? Like, what just happened? Like, what are you talking about? How did you even get on this fucking subject? Yeah, my bad, guys. Yeah. Yeah, no. They'll bring it. Well, you mean like when the new contract comes out, it comes out lower? Is that what you mean? No, that doesn't happen. No, it's always higher. Yeah, it's always higher because they're basically taking all of the liquidity. Like, and for all of my crypto bros out there, right? They're essentially taking all of they're essentially changing contracts. Like, they're doing a migration of the contracts. So everybody that's in profit will be in profit, and then they'll basically be using all of that liquidity to buy up for the new contract and then placing new levels. So it's really, really strange how they do it, but I've never seen it so it's negative. That's one thing I've never seen. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I haven't even looked at the commodities this morning. Yeah. Yeah. For me, I'm looking for longs down in here, but I haven't seen a change in character just yet. But I'm very interested in this area here based off time and price alignment here, as well as the liquidity on the tape at 40. He might not be able to hear you. He probably doing some other shit. Eddie said, "What's up?" Yeah, he said, "What's up?" Yeah, Eddie. He said, "I know you did it, Ed." Yeah, he kicked it. Oh, dead ass. He kicked that shit off with 3 250Ks on that candle this morning. Justin YOLO won too. He's like, fuck it.
Yeah.
Fuck it. All right, bro.
All right,
Take
bro.
it easy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yes.
No, trades by Matt does that all the time. He be having like $160,000 months. Nah, he is. Nah, I mean that's facts. That's facts. It's like we're consolidating here at this low.
Yeah, I think we're consolidating to go lower though. But volatility's kind of slowed down a little bit, which makes me feel a little bit better here. God damn, Apple's at 217, bro.
Yeah, Apple been losing this ever loving mind. It's still rallying. Oh my god.
That shit took over. It said nope. I'm the boss now. I'm the captain now.
Apple might fuck around and be the first $4
trillion
$4 trillion stock.
Yeah, I think they got to go to 300 or 250, something like that. 3.4 or something, 3.3, something like that.
Yeah, $3.33 trillion right now.
Bro, this shit is unheard of. This is unprecedented.
They
I don't even know how to like
$33 billion today alone.
Today, yeah. All because they came out with tap the phone to pay. Like, what the fuck?
I mean, it was more than just that, but you know,
what is it? And tell me. You keep saying it was more than that. What is it?
They said they're integrating Chat GPT into their phone, into Siri.
Oh, so they said the AI word. Got it.
Yeah.
They said
but their AI is Apple intelligence, not artificial intelligence. So
okay.
But yes,
they said the buzzword.
They said AI, and the market.
Anytime you say that buzzword, all-time highs. Did Apple just say AI? All-time highs.
Pretty much.
All-time highs. Go. Trying longs off of 44.25, stops at 41. Hey, Pip, can you turn the railroad down in the back?
Can you turn your railroad down in the back?
He knew it was coming. He like, yeah, I was about to say some shit soon if I don't stop. Get that fucking John Henry. Yeah, I'm long. Yeah, I'm long at the break of that candle on the retest at 44.25. I probably should have got it down at 42, but stops are at the low, so we'll see what happens. I think there's a chance we could still dip into 40, but I'm hoping 40 acts as support without us actually filling the liquidity, and we just go up from here.
Yeah, I think
it's the only true pullback we've had all day, but
I think we definitely come back up to 50 to 47.
Are you long as well?
Maybe. Yeah, no, I'm long. Maybe.
I like the idea. I just don't like the. I don't like
taking forever.
Yeah, I don't like how it likes to slow crawl back up, but I think we'll be fine. My risk is managed. I'm gonna go make me some leftover Chipotle. Be right back.
Yeah, I'm just not a fan of all the buying that I'm seeing come into the market, and we're just not really moving up. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Damn it. Yeah, there's another little rejection there. I'll see how we do at 47. If we get up to 47 and we start to reject, then I'll probably just take my profits off the table. Ton of buying coming in though. Seems like we shifted character back to the downside, so that's the only reason why I'm a little bit more cautious here about these longs. Yeah, we just rejected that pretty heavily. Yeah, I'm still holding, but That rejection was pretty nasty, but we're bouncing again. Apple's still sending, so as long as Apple and Nvidia are still coming up, I think we're okay. 44.50. I got one tick higher than Hobbs did, but I also entered a lot earlier than Hobbs entered as well, though. All right, we're okay. Yeah, they just reloaded 47 right there. That's not what I want to see. We went up there, we grabbed the liquidity at 47, and they put more liquidity. Not a good sign. See what we do. That's red flag number 1. But if we push through, then that red flag will go away. Just something to observe.
Still holding, Jay?
Yeah, I'm still in, but I don't like that rejection that we got at 47. We took the liquidity, and then they just loaded up more liquidity.
Oh, okay. See,
so,
we had at 10-10.
I'm in, but fingers on the trigger here. If we start looking kind of weak.
My dog's whining like a motherfucker.
All right, there we go. Yeah, took the liquidity again, and then they put it right back. I don't even think we took it. I think they took it off, and then they put it back up. Weirdos. Stop playing. Again, really, really weird price action. We went up there, they removed the liquidity, we slapped it back down, and then they put it right back up at 47. So it's kind of watching. I just don't want them to do like something slow. All right, coming back up to 47 again. So we're just kind of consolidating up here. Yeah, Apple's almost up to 218. It's still pushing. We're almost. I think we're gonna break through. Apple's up to 218.06 now. Let me check and see. Nvidia is coming down though. That's the only problem. Yeah, Nvidia's starting to sell down again. Yeah, we're rejecting this level.
I don't like that rejection.
Yeah, neither do I.
All right. I cut that thing for break even. I don't like that rejection. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I put my stop at break even now.
Yeah, it tapped me out for break even. I had already, when I left and came back, I put it at break even. I figured if we were going to get a rejection right there, I didn't want to be in a trade. But I also wanted to give a chance to win.
I'm tapped out for break even as well.
Looks like I got.
Yeah, I didn't like what we were doing up there.
Yeah, we were tickling that high. I didn't like it. Makes me feel like we traded back up, but it was more of a scalp for that initial macro. We traded down into the macro. We came back up bullish, but we traded back into bearish character. We weren't able to break it.
Yep.
And
I agree.
Looking at the tape, that they had intent for moving it lower. So after I saw that, I said, I'm if we reject again, I got to get out.
Yeah, I was feeling the exact same way on that. I kept seeing us come up there, and they were just loading. They like unloaded the liquidity, loaded it back, unloaded it, loaded it back. And it just seemed like they were trying to defend this level.
Yeah, the intent looks like they want to break this level. If the bulls look stronger now, I'll get back in, but I'm not going to chase the price action that's already happened. Maybe if we put in a double bottom here, I'll look to get back in lower. Because I really want that liquidity at 54.40 to get filled. Hey, good morning.
What the?
Who's that? Oh, that was Kayla. I was like, who the fuck was that? What's up, Kayla?
Man, why do you sound like that?
What kind of tacos? NVIDIA tacos. Oh. Yeah,
I didn't say nothing. You took it there. I didn't. You took it there. I just laughed. It's fucking amazing. It's delicious.
Kayla, stay with a dirty mind.
Damn right.
The way you said it sounded provocative. Good morning.
Very. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Came in here. I'm like, what?
I thought that was my wife. I was about to mute her ass. Don't you ever come in here talking like that. What the fuck is that?
That was funny.
I'm in here talking.
The whole entire stock market started to pull back. Apple's pulling back. Nvidia's pulling back. Apple has. Oh yeah, they did announce the calculator on the tablets. 8 a.m. 1 hour candle. They had a
calculator, like a regular calculator.
No, yeah, a regular calculator to the tablet. I guess we've been asking for it. Look, we've been asking for it. All right,
Justin. No way we added $33 billion
over a calculator.
To the market cap over a fucking calculator. No way.
Hey, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised what people care about these days.
Bro, a calculator? Let's go. Buy it.
Calculator.
Yeah, the guys on this trade right here. Part of me feels like I was chasing bullish character before we flipped bullish. So I was very FOMO-ish. The character is shifted bearish, right? And I'm still trying to trade I'm trying to trade the left of the chart, right? So on my part, I think I managed it well, understanding like, okay, if we don't go higher, I gotta get out, right? So the one thing that I'll say about that trade, I was more like chasing what's already happened, like chasing old price action. The move currently is to the downside because my bias is to the upside. I'm starting to analyze things from a bullish perspective versus analyzing what price is already doing right now. What price is doing right now is it's selling off, right? So I just want to be patient here. I'm still not shorting the market. We're just a little too deep for me, but I'll definitely look to get long here at 40. If we can change character. Sorry. I'm pulling an adjustment.
Nah, you're worse.
Yeah, because I'm actually in those.
Momentum slowing up, potential short. Yeah, potentially. See, we're coming down.
I think we want to go up, but
what's your thoughts on FOMC today? I was actually reading the CME tool, and they're predicting, and I don't think they've gotten it wrong yet. 99.9% chance that they're gonna keep interest rates the same. They're not gonna go down. So that's what they're predicting. So we'll see what happens. The CME group tool thing or whatever, I don't think it's been wrong yet. So we'll see. What do you think?
Jerome these interest rates until he feel like it. Until he damn well please. Or until Trump president, you fire his ass. One of the two.
Yeah, VIX is showing strength right now. VIX is popping back up.
I'm probably selling for FOMC.
As soon as y'all dipped yesterday, the market went to Yodi land. She was crazy. Yeah, it did. We were watching it. When they mention it rip about that calculator. If you were watching the market and WWDC, I told you, man, they be going crazy over the stupidest little shit like a calculator. But they've been asking for it, so it kind of makes sense.
I think it's like the Apple company buying the stock, bro. Motherfuckers cannot be buying that shit based off no goddamn calculator.
Man, you would be surprised.
Ain't no way.
You would be surprised what these motherfuckers will buy off of. This might be the long here. Those Apple motherfuckers. I also have an Apple phone though.
I'm about to say we're all Apple users. It's funny how the stock reacts to the smallest shit. But then when they introduce the car, that shit done. I don't even know what that is. I told you all they had to do was say the word AI and the bulls will appear. That's all they needed. They just needed to say the word AI. Oh, that rollerball. See, I'm about to kick Kayla out. All right, I'm back in long here at 43, but much better entry. I like my invalidation point. I'm good. Just had to wait for that sweep first and see if the Bulls want to buy it back up. I knew I should have waited
for that liquidity below.
40. Yeah, once we feel 40. Well, that's what I was saying when I was in the trade. I would have rather waited until we feel 40, but I was playing it in the event that they use 40 as support. And once I saw they wanted 40. Yeah, this is the level here we got to break. Chipotle's so good. Homemade Chipotle. I made it last night.
Chipotle?
Yes, it is different. It is different. What did you wake up and say you ate this morning?
She said she ate some meat this morning.
Wait. You essentially ate the same fucking thing while you were
She woke up, she said, I had some meat this morning.
Yeah. Some meat. She had meat.
She said she had meat. She said she had meat this morning.
She said, yo, that meat I had this morning mixed with that blackberry rolling ball. Superb.
Blackberry rolling ball. What?
Superb. Superb. Superb.
I did not get back in long right there. I should have though.
It's the same trade from yesterday.
It is.
We traded it the exact same way. We got in early. This time I didn't take a loss though. They swept the low. And I said, fuck this shit. I know I'm in the right area. Or at least I think I am. I'm trading shit again. And I traded the exact same way. Mm-hmm. No. I use my fucking fingers to tap the letters because it doesn't take much effort. So fuck, I am an old man.
You type like an old man.
I thought I was typing like the rest of the world. Do the rest of the world not use their thumbs? I don't text. When motherfuckers start texting me too much, they can expect a phone call. They know. Everybody that fuck with me know if you text me too long, you can expect a phone call. Because if the conversation start getting too long and it's too many words, I'll be like, bro, I'm not texting this shit no more. Like, I'm calling your ass. I've done it to Justin. I've done it to Pip. I do it to everybody. I'm like, bro, stop fucking texting me. Let's talk.
All right.
Yeah, we take 47.
You do not want to see the market fail here at 47.
I don't care what the market wants to do. Yeah, I don't give a shit what the market wants to do. I'm not moving my fucking shit. Go to the fucking profit target, bitch. Boom, 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 boom. Go to the motherfucking profit target. Yes, quit fucking playing around. Why we gotta play these games? Why must we play these stupid fucking
playing games?
Oh, you know what that means? You know what I just realized about this? When Justin says, when he's not in a long, and then he says things like, you do not want to see the market fail here. You know what that truly means about this? You know what that means, right? The op is in the building. He is like, don't be in the wrong direction. I'm shorting this shit from here on out. Y'all motherfuckers do not want to see this shit fail here because I'm gonna dump on y'all fucking head.
I'm just saying, you don't want to see it fail here. That's all I'm saying.
Realize what you meant.
Not want to see the market fail here.
What Justin is really saying here is lock in your profits, dumbasses. You're in the wrong direction.
No, I think what just happened was bullish. It's just when we ran that high and then we got back below it, I was like, that's not what I would want to see. So
I like the sweep at the low. Like I'm comfortable with the sweep.
Nah, the sweep at the low was bullish as hell.
I don't want to sit in this if they're gonna play the consolidation game, right? I want to see the market push up and go. Like I don't want to give another loss to the market in this situation. I'd rather allow the market to push out of this or sweep me out so I can get back in for a small profit. I'll take the small profit and let the market sweep me out. If it doesn't, then I'm not at break even, but I'm giving myself a tick. I'm locking in 2 ticks. I'm not shorting this shit though. That's just not happening. Yeah. Yeah. If it goes down, then it just goes down. But if it goes down and comes right back up, I'm just gonna get back in. I'm not shorting this shit.
See you later, bud.
Yeah, because we're in the chop right now. We're in between the fucking macros. We're in a goddamn choppy zone. This is what break even is for, in my opinion. I don't like going break even when I get the lows, but when I'm in the chop, matter of fact, I'm about to scalp this shit. If this shit goes back up to the top, I'm taking my profit.
I'm actually honestly thinking that this could be the
consolidation,
inverse head and shoulders right here. If we broke the high, we failed, but if we come back down and we hold, it could be a really nice long to potentially take.
This is when the entry becomes so important.
Maybe come back down to like 42.
And Q's not fucking. Q's schmoving, bro. Schmoving.
Oh yeah, NQ's almost back up to its high. I think they filled it. Yeah, they.
What's your stop loss, Justin? I know your ass in this motherfucker short.
No, I'm not. I'm not in short.
Nah, tell the truth. Where you stop at? 51?
I'm not. I'm not in short. I'm not.
50.75.
No, well, the only way I would have gotten in short is if I would have seen something at that high. But I think we ran the high, we took the liquidity, we're gonna pull back, and then we're gonna take out this level and go higher.
Yeah, I just don't want to see him trade back into 40. That's all.
I just want to see us put in that higher low now. That's all I'm waiting for. If we put in that higher low, I think we'll be good to go. It might happen here, to be honest.
Oh no, what? No. Oh yeah, we love torture. That's what I thought he said too. I was like, what? Hell no, I'm not sure this shit. Hell nah, that motherfucking Pip almost had a heart attack when I told him we were short this shit. He was like, I'm sorry, what? He almost had a fucking heart attack. There's your higher low. Come on, let's see if we can put in a high now. Bro, one tick away from my stop, bro. Come on, man, relax. Don't fuck with me like this. Yeah, bro, but I'm at break even. Market came to fucking one tick away from my break even. I was like, come on, don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. Remember, those days are behind us. Those days are behind us. Yes, let's not do that. If it was in Q, I just readied myself to get back into the trade. Because there is no way NQ's coming that close to your stop and not taking that shit. Come on, yes.
What was that?
As long as we hold above 40, I think we're okay. I just hate trading in between these macros because you don't have to wait. I'm about to scalp this shit. Come on. If you don't get back above this high, I'm just taking my profit. But come on, push. Push it, pamp it. Where are all those fucking buyers that was buying this morning? Like y'all don't want to show up now? They on their hands and knees? What they getting prepared for? Do elaborate. What are they doing? What exactly are they doing, Mr. Jonah? Please elaborate. What is happening? He seems like he knows. He seems like he's aware. Like, yeah. Hands on your knees. Trading yoga girl, you know we can hear you, right? She don't know. Somebody tell her. Trading yoga girl. Trading yoga girl.
Top step trader. What's she talking about?
She's trying to cancel. She's trying to cancel some shit. She like, yeah, I don't like what the fuck they did. Or she's probably on the phone with her bank. All right, I'm gonna mute. Trading yoga girl. I got her. I don't want to put her business out there accidentally. She's muted. All right, I'm locking in $50 right there. I don't know what the fuck this market's trying to do right here. I think we're generating some type of liquidity.
Me feel nothing.
Why does this have to happen right now, bro? You know why? Because my ass didn't wait for the next macro. TP hit, good job. Pip, what are you trading? Oil or gold? I think you said. Me at Trading Yoga Girl, let her know we muted her. The server muted her to protect her privacy. Yes. Yes. I could use an Uber story right now while I'm waiting on this stupid ass trade. Yeah, give me something. This shit is ridiculous.
What?
All right, moving on. Next story. You got anything else?
What?
You got anything else? Anything else you want to share with the community? This is not the spot. This is not the spot. This is not the spot.
That was Malik.
Yo, we flirting with my 444 level. All right, I'm stopped out for $50, man. This is crazy. I don't want this shit over. Somehow I managed to walk away with like $100 inside of this scalp. Yo, y'all
What?
motherfuckers is hilarious, bro. Y'all motherfuckers are hilarious. Bro, they not. Uh-huh. He said, hey, I don't like the way you said hi. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. He said so long, so far. Oh. He was setting you up. He was buttering you up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think this thing's about to drop. Yo, this is Lord. This is hilarious. Y'all motherfuckers are funny. I haven't watched it yesterday. Yo, Justin, you in these shorts yet or what?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not in the shorts.
Yeah, we looking real weak up here, but I just want the market to fucking. We got another macro coming up, which is normally why I try to stay away from this consolidation between the macros, because that consolidation, although it may be bullish, that shit was fucking terrible for my mental capacity. I think you're crazy. Yeah. Hmm.
Nah, I was just chilling.
Malik, my wife said, did you get an extra tip? Like the tip? Oh, Jesus, come get him. Oh, my God. Bro, extra sauce. You got the extra tip with the extra sauce. Small talk. Yeah. Yo, Mr. Potts is a fool, man. He said he about to go touch. He done for the day. He robbed the market blind. Go to touch grass for to enjoy nature. But then he says there's a 15-minute fair value gap that need to be tapped in the PM session. Will be the next leg up. Remember, I said that. And if I'm wrong, I'm gonna perform a concert at Bikini Bottom. This is fucking
Bikini bottom.
I don't know. I think the market is building value right here, but it's too choppy for me to get in. I don't like to trade the chop like this. I would much rather it go lower first. What you looking at, Jay?
Just looks like there's a little bit of there's been a lack of selling going on. Like you said, it's choppy, but it's like every single time we come down, we keep finding buyers. We're just coming down lower, but still finding buyers. So it's interesting.
Oh, okay. She's not in here. Oh wait, yes she is. Yeah, I know. Everybody was waiting. Like, hold on, let me get a pen. You good, yo? You're. Yeah, I was trying to save you for the. Yeah, we was about to grab a pen and start writing down them credit card numbers.
Nigerian scammers. Oh, it's
yes,
on.
We're on.
Now we know your bank account.
Yeah, well. Yeah, we just need
We need the 3 digits on the back, and we'd be good.
Yeah, she's said them. That's how they do it in New York, bro. Y'all, you New Yorkers, y'all be on some other shit. I got you. We try to protect our members as much as we can. Yeah, I was like, yo, everybody got a pin. The American Express number's coming out next. Yeah.
It sounded like you was on the phone with Top Step.
Nah, it sounded like she was on her bank about Top Step. Like, nah, I ain't pay them shit. They took my money. Cancel that shit. Dispute. Yeah, facts. Need a couple monitors. Oh, what are we trying to do here?
That is the question. It looks like Bryce is trying to round up here.
Good luck. You see that wick down in the middle of where your short is at? Yeah, I would proceed with caution while shorting this fucking basing candle. No, 1 hour looks like a basing candle. That's what it looks like to me. Short it. Go ahead. Short it. Let me know how it works out. I won't be shorting this shit. There ain't no fucking way I'm shorting this shit. You won't have to, because Hobbs will not be hitting the sell button. Let's get it. He going 1 micro. Yeah, that motherfucking Jonah be cap it. Jonah said, yeah, he trying to bait you. He like, yeah, I get it short with you. Jonah been done trading. Jonah been done trading for an hour. He ain't think about this market. Yeah, Jonah's like, bro, I'm not trading this shit, but I'll go short with you. Go ahead, yeah. Do it. Yeah, do it. I like pain. I want to witness pain. Yeah, this is why I try to stay away from the in-between shit. Like the macros, at least we know something's gonna happen usually inside of the macro, even if it's not a big move, right? But when it's choppy like this, I just try to wait for the macros. Well, yep. Exactly. That's kind of where I'm just being patient in this area. I think we go up from here, but I also think the market needs to sell down. Will it do it from here? I don't know, but yeah. Just looking at the tape, it looks like the market wants to hold 43 and wants to rally off 43. That's what it looks like. I'm seeing a lot of absorption from all of the selling that's going in at 43. And ever since we swept 40 on ES, we have not been back down there. So all of the selling down here is being absorbed. So yeah, that's what I like the tape for. Like you can see what's happening, right? Like even though this looks like it's bearish because we keep coming down aggressively, look at what's happening at the low. We're essentially have one big ass inverse heading shoulder on the 5 minute right now. That's essentially what we have
on the 1 minute.
And if you look at the tape's supporting that thesis, right? Like so. But again, if you flip it the opposite way, we have a head and shoulders at the top, right? The exact same thing is happening at the top. So, and then you got to go, if this is consolidation and we're not putting in new highs or lows, you go with the higher time frame trend, which is up, but the current trend is down. So you got to make a decision based off all of that information.
Well, we kind of flipped that downtrend when we broke that high. We broke above 47. I mean, we barely broke above it, but we still broke above it.
That's true.
That's the way I'm looking at it. I don't know. I tried along at 43.50, so we'll see.
I think that's a really good entry.
My stop is below the not the swing low, but the previous swing low at 41. So I don't know. I'm about to have to go though. I got to pick my daughter up from dance and bring her to daycare. So
okay.
I'm risking. Well, I mean, I'll be back right after I drop her off, but
he said no. I'm talking about the waste of money.
I wasn't disappointed. My daughter danced in like 2 dances. Well. He said I wasted all my money for this.
Bro, my man Pie Scrapers is going ham in the chat. He said 19465 area. Remember that level. Mark that. If I'm wrong, I will eat peanut butter with mayonnaise. That sounds so gross. That sounds so gross. I hope it don't hit that level just so you can eat peanut butter with mayonnaise. Justin, if you're looking for short, this is your chance. Yeah. I don't want to do anything right here. I want to wait till the macro hits. I just feel like whatever I do in this area just feels trappy. Nope. Justin's long. I'm not touching this
shit. I'm about to get cooked on this long. You came right back down.
Mm-hmm.
I told you where my stop was. 41.75 is my stop. But they just rejected that pretty heavily.
Yeah.
We might be coming down lower here. We'll see though.
I think whatever's going to happen is going to happen inside of this macro. So
I might not survive to that macro.
Justin said I might not be alive in that macro. Facts. The macro could give you that last chance to get out. But I think the macro may be coming in bearish to go bullish. That's why I think this trade is going to come down first and then go up. But we'll see.
Yeah,
us trading below 43 is not a good thing.
All right, I'm knocked out there. All right, I'm gonna go grab my daughter. I'll be back.
All right, bro. Yeah, a lot of liquidity got absorbed, but again, at the highs, we're in bearish character still. So the market is it's failing to go higher. So as much as I know that we're bullish, I think the moves to the downside from here, heading into that 1050 macro. I still don't want to get short. I want to take the market long. I agree. That could also happen. The market could just be sitting here consolidating in preparation for that area. He said, nah, y'all ever ate deep fried rabbit knuckles, bro? You need to quit. Think he got the mayonnaise because he think he's funny like a Doug. Yeah, Malik might have ate something like that. He said I didn't know rabbits had knuckles. What, are you smoking grass and touching it? I'm a man of God, but I do be smoking on that NQ pack. Y'all stupid. Them 100s in NQ pack. Profound Trading says if it's wrong, you have to rub mayonnaise on your taint and have your dog go brazy. That's aggressive. That's a what you want me to do? I'm just reading what they were. He said, "Yo, you got a nasty ass chat." All I trade is 9:50 today, first hour, and I'm done. Yeah, the 9:50 10 a.m. candle was serious, man. I just wanted to. I had to go during that time. So, Olivo A's do nice short. Yo, Profound Trading. This is his first time here, at least first time speaking. I've never seen him in here. So, yeah, shout out to CPI for bringing us some more viewers. We got 101 total viewers in the building. Some on YouTube, probably most of them on Twitter. So, shout out to all the new viewers that are looking for opportunities to learn, aka take people's entries on YouTube. I'm just kidding, but. We appreciate you guys stopping by the shop. Please make sure you tip the barbers. We go live 5 days a week, same time every single day. We're rating this FOMC news. I think the market's trying to trade down heading into this next macro to come into the market. I'm looking to trade. I'm trading ES today, so I'm looking to trade between 43 or 54.3375 and 54.26 on the 15-minute chart. So that's the area where I'm looking for the price to come back down to and hold, taking out all of this liquidity and returning back to the origin of all of this buying pressure that came into the market. If the market once again rallies from here, I don't know what the fuck to do, man. I'm just tired of I just really want a nice, healthy pullback. That's all I want. I'm not asking for much, guys. I'm not. Longing the market up here, I tried it. This shit didn't work. Healthy is 30 to 50%. That's what healthy is from open. That would be healthy. That's what I would deem healthy. And since open, we haven't pulled back. I think we pulled back like 10%. Actually, this is 50% since open. 54.40 is 50% since the open. So it's actually a really good area, but it's still looking bearish to me. So, yeah. Yeah, exactly. When we saw that, I said the same thing, Jonah. I had that level mark. I was like, oh yeah, we just pulled back into 50% of the CPI candle, and then I saw the initial pump. I'm like, oh, they not even finna pull back, bro. They're not even trying to pull back. Yeah, that shit ain't gonna work. Not today. Not today, sir. Again, still holding down at these lows at 40. The market does not want to give up 39 or 40 where that liquidity came in, which still makes me bullish on the area. But I'm just going to wait to this next macro. Let's see. What time is it? It's 10:59. All right, let's see what we do. I want to see us trade into this macro bearish. That's what I want to see. I want to see us come down. Let's get it. All right, here comes the 1150 macro printing right here. You want to see this come in pretty bearish right here. There we go. Must be random, guys. Oh, right at 1150, market comes down. Shocker. Anybody shocked? Anybody? I got in short with you, man. Just to take a quick scalp down to my level. I just want to take a quick scalp down to my level at 43. Okay. I'm telling you when I'm getting out though. This motherfucker could dump to fucking, bro. Look at this selling coming in. Come on, bro. Don't stop right here. This is not good. Don't stop. Come on. Keep dumping. Come on, 1150. We got 5 more minutes of dumpage. I'm getting out at 55. Wherever price we're at 55, that's where Hobbs is out. Right at 55. wherever we're at when we hit 55, Hobbs is out of this trade. I'm just looking for a quick scalp, man. I'm up 3 points, so I'm gonna lock that in. Lock in another $25 right there, just in case. I've scalped my way into a $137 day. So, yeah, just understanding this structure up here. Let's see if we can't scalp down to 55. What time is it? All right, we got 4 more minutes. Come on, come down. Break 40. Break 40. Looking for about 40, 54.2975 on the scalp, the short scalp. Come on, drop it. Yeah, probably. Nah. Get your ass back over there. Get your ass back over there. Yeah. Bro, this is crazy, bro. Can we? I'm just trying to come down just a little bit, bro. Just a little bit. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is why I hate. You know what? I'm taking my little $75. Fuck this shit. I fucking hate shorts. I'm out of here. He said that, a boy. Yeah, I'm out of here, bro. Don't tell him. 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 He said, Pip, let me tell you what this dumb motherfucker did today. Yeah, it's not time, bro. I won the trade, but and I managed it right. I said this is a scalp. I'm looking to scalp this, so I'm gonna trade this, but it's gonna be quick. And the market was like, yeah, it better be quick. You better not be holding this shit for long. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good, bro. I learned my lesson, bro. I learned my lesson. I've won on every trade I've taken today, so that's what it's about. Like. Now we got the sweep. We traded down into the macro. I mean, we couldn't even get down past the low, bro. Like, this shit is wild. Today is not the day to fuck around and find out. Nice short. Okay. I mean, it worked out. I don't know how nice it was. It worked out. Like, close this 1 hour candle in 14 minutes. Expect a 50% fill of the huge 1 hour below fair value gap. I mean, you got to remember that 1 hour candle isn't a part of today's session, though. Right? Like, is it a part of price action? Sure, but it's not a part of today's session. So the market could very well just leave that shit, to be honest with you. I want them to fill it too, but it don't have to. A little tip, if you can give me a fresh Boosie fade, I'll tip if I can give you'll tip me if I can give you a fresh Boosie fade. Bro, I can't actually cut hair, bro. It's just a theme. It's just a theme. All right, we're trading back up into structure, but we did potentially change character above 42 on the 1 minute. Let's see if the market wants to put in a higher low here, and then I'll be looking to take it back up. Yeah, both of my initial trades would have been swept out. So I'm glad I took profit on both of my loans, because this was my invalidation point here at 39, and the market took that shit too. So souls have been received. I guess the true validation point should be 37, but I definitely wasn't willing to give myself fucking 10 points. I just wait till price comes down here. The true move is up, but I'm trying to give the longs the opportunity to come in, but I'm also watching this macro and I'm thinking, if we don't take that high by 55, the move is probably to short this down further. That's what I'm thinking right now. Yeah, I think that's the move, is to short it lower at 55. This is 55 right here. Yeah, this is 55. I'm gonna try short right here. Let's see what happens. I swear to God, that market was like, you what? Yo. Yo. I swear to goodness, the minute I hit the sell button, that shit was like, bitch. Like, good Lord. All right, man. No more shorts, bro. No more shorts. I've seen enough. I've seen enough. Yo. I'm talking the second I hit the sell button, the market was like, shut the fuck, you better quit playing. Not today. Not on today. You not short this shit. Nah, bro. I'm good. I got it out of my system. I just need to test it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Nah, they consolidating, bro. They NQ holding the low as well. They're definitely holding the low on NQ. I don't mind looking for a trade for the dudes, but I'm not looking for nothing. Only thing I'm looking for is to get long. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm good. I'm back. I'm back on no shorts, bro. Taking no shorts, no losses, man. I just had to get that bitch out my blood, bro. I'm back in long at 43.50. Back into the same price level, but this time I'm risking the low, where I'm hoping is the last time we come down here. And I'm liking the bullish aggressiveness that I'm seeing on the tape. But yeah, we took scalps long twice, short once, won on all three, and then lost on the last short. And then as soon as I saw the aggressive nature of the market, I was trying to short that one based off time. I thought when we came into that 55, we want to go bearish, but it seems like we're trading back into the structure. So we'll see what happens here. I'm going to hold this trade because I think the market wants to go up. And then I'm going to be done until the PM session if this works out or if it doesn't work out. I'm giving it 4 points. Fuck around and find out. Hopefully that's the last low that we needed to take. It's just trippy right here. It's trippy right here. What time is news? Oh, fuck. We could sit here the whole day. Yeah, we could sit here the whole day. We could sit here until the news, but whatever. I'm in it. Damn. What time is this? 12. Come on, relax, bro. Relax, bears. At ease, killers. Oh shit, I had the wrong time. This is a 20-minute macro. That's why. The time was noon. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I was looking for the dump at 55, and the dump came in at noon because I was saying that this was a 10-minute macro, but it's a 20-minute macro. So the dump came at noon. The dump should be coming at noon, not at 55. That's why when I took that trade, I was like, what the fuck? But yeah, not the dump, but the movement, the true movement equilibrium should be coming on this candle right here. Let's see what this candle brings right here. This is the flush candle. See that? Right on time. That's the candle that I was trying to trade right there. Yeah, that's the candle that I was trying to trade right there. But this candle is trading now bearishly back into structure. So let's see if they run it back up. Because remember, whatever we do at the equilibrium, we usually end up doing the opposite on the other end. So let's see how we hold structure right here and see if the market wants to hold this structure and remain bullish, or do we want to start trading higher? So this 55, this time frame right here is going to be huge for what the market wants to do. I had the time fucked up right there, but I was spot on in my thesis. I just traded the wrong candle. Short. All right. J-Hawk been in Solana. He been in everything. He ain't never left crypto. That's his boo. That sounds like something the DJing community has embraced. Yeah, I think primary more shots. What is this? Oh, I don't know what this is, Justin. Justin sent me a picture of it. I don't know what this is. Which way we going, boys? Looks like that macro is bringing us down into structure. Let's see where we're at on the back end of the macro here. Came down aggressively right at 12. We came into it bearishly. Yeah, I think if we can hold this level and we don't break 39, I think by 12:10 we should be trading out of this thing bullishly. So I'm gonna hold my trade. I don't like that flush down, but I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, right at that 12 o'clock candle is what I liked. But I want to see now us get back above the high and then put in another higher low and then push above 12:10. But again, either way it goes, like the risk is managed. My stop is below the low, like the most recent low. So if the market wants to dump further, then I was just wrong. But to the bullish side, are we retapping it? Oh yeah, that was, yeah. I just saw it. Oof. That's never good. ES tapped it three. ES tapped it 3 times. Yeah, he got that man got no loyalty to either side. Whatever side's moving, that's my side. Nah, I know you do. I know you do. All right, price wants to go short so bad. Yeah, but again, it's holding inside of these macros of time. Yeah, I know. That's what Olivo HD says. Price wants to go short. Like, nah, it's not price, it's retail. Yeah. I think if you go short, I feel so uncomfortable when I was in those shorts. Like I knew they were scalps, right? So like I was like, yeah, like 20, 75. I said, shit, on a day like today, shit, you can make, if you make $100 from a short, shit, you win it. On ES, you winning. That's a bragging right, bro. All that buying, I made $100 on shorts. Do that. Oh, he took a short? Yeah, I swear that's what he told us. He said he go long. Pay before payout. What is the cap you can withdraw? Also, how much setup? Thanks, Brody. Profound, I need to know what prop firm you're referring to first. And then I could probably give you a little bit more information. Also, there's videos on the channel for every prop firm out there. So if you need to know that information, I strongly advise you go watch the videos on the channel. Justin does an amazing job of breaking down the prop firms educationally. Well, we got our movement inside the macro. Question is, will we get our continuation? What time is it? 12:10? That's what we're looking for. I want to see us trading above this high by 12:10. That's what I want. If we can get back above this high by the end of this macro, then I have no worries. But if we can't, we trade it in bearish. By noon, we trade it back down into structure. If the structure is to remain bullish, you want to anticipate us trading up above 45 by 12:10. So let's see what happens. I'm okay with this selling down, long as it's trading back in. You see these triple lows right here, like all equal lows on ES. That's very bullish. So I'm okay with all of the back and forth because I think ultimately the market wants to trade up. So back in my entry now. Maybe I could have added down there just little things I'm trying to take note from the trade. I'm just trying to follow what the macro is trying to offer here. We can trade out of this at 12:10, trade back into the next macro. So we'll see what happens. Okay, yeah, for Apex, I don't know. Once you pass the account, it should be like any other account, right? You have to sign a couple. They send you a couple emails. You have to sign one, give all your social security information, give all your sauce out to them, and then after that, the next email you should be paying. You pay whatever the fee is to get it lifetime or monthly. I would prefer you to do the lifetime, but oh, there we go. Trading out of this thing. All right, so we're almost at 1210, but like I said, by 1210, I want to be trading above this high just based off time, right? So if we can get above this high by 1210, then I know I got a good trade on my hands, theoretically. Obviously, we still need to take out this high up here. We can remain in this range, but it's gonna make me feel good if we can get above this high by 1210. But yeah, so I think the one-time fee is like $1.50, something like that. And then after that, man, they give you an account and you just start trading. I mean, there's nothing really tricky or crazy about it. It's pretty simple. But like I said, go watch the Apex video. Justin has an Apex video that you can. I think he's got it separated into chapters too. I'm not 100% secure. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, I mean, that's the education we're trying to provide. Like, we talk about our trades live. We tell you when we enter and exit. We just don't show them on the screen. We take pictures of them and show them on the disc, show the Discord our entries and stuff. And they don't need that. I do it just to be, formal with the community. But they don't need me to do that. They know I know what the fuck I'm talking about, right? But yeah, we just try to provide education and value to the space. So, but yeah, right now I'm in the longs. Yeah, just waiting to see if we can trade above this area by the end of this macro. All right, here's 1209 candle. Let's see what we do by 1210 here. See if we're trading above the high by then. NQ is already above its high, so that makes me feel good as well. Again, 1150 was the number I should have been long at, but I was in a quick short, and then I switched the position on this pullback down here. So. All right, we didn't get above the high right there at the end of the macro. So let's see if the market wants to continue to consolidate, or do we want to trade above right here at 1210? So let's see what happens. 1210, let's see if we can bring some liquidity, inject some liquidity to get above this high here. Or do we trade back down into the low? Or just stay range bound here? All right, we got a nice push up, but again, did not break that high. That's not good. It could mean we're going to remain bearish, or we're just going to remain in consolidation. The only thing I can hope for at this point, for me, the way that I want to manage this is, one, I'm recognizing that we're in a range and we're not breaking out of the range. And my entry is basically at the high of the range, which makes me feel uncomfortable. But I also don't want to give up my position in the event that we don't come back too far down in the range. So what I'll do is, my stop is at this low down here. So if the market comes back down to this low and it doesn't break it, it doesn't take my stop, then I'll look to re-enter, or I'll look to add to the position, having conviction in the direction. But if the market just sweeps the area, then obviously I won't add because I'll be out of the trade. But we'll see what happens. Trading back into the structure here. Let's see if the market wants to take the low. Again, this is the consolidation right here, right? Like, this is This is bearish consolidation because we're making higher highs. I mean, lower lows and lower highs. However, I'm trading off the low, anticipating the market to break out and continue the current uptrend that we're on. That's my thesis here, because this low right here is the ultimate low on ES, which is 54.39.50, and this is where my stop is at right here. So market could come back down and retest this area, but if it does, I'm still going to be looking at long the market. And obviously we have FOMC today, so we could just not do anything until that, but I'm in the trade now, so just let it rock. Pretty boring at this point. Question is, do I want to continue streaming into FOMC, or do I just want to bounce and go for a walk? I kind of want to go for a walk, because yesterday I did a walk. It was like super late in the day, but since FOMC is not for another 2 hours, my walk takes about an hour. I might want to leave now, get the walk out of the way, and then that way I'm back for the FOMC fireworks, and I can look to trade my FOMC thesis. Right now, I feel like we're just not going to do. We're not going to go anywhere. Facts. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go for my walk. I'm gonna end the show here, and if this trade stops me out, I'll be basically break even on the day. But it looks like it wants to start coming down here. Yeah, 1 o'clock Central. 1 o'clock Central. Yeah, well, it's 1 o'clock from my understanding, bruh. Yeah, but we talking about fundamentals. I talk Eastern. Y'all converted me to Eastern, but I was just saying for me, it's 1 o'clock because if I say, all right, whatever, motherfucker. Yeah, whatever, motherfucker. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of YouTube. If you guys want to continue to follow us live, obviously we trade live in the Discord every single day. In the event that we're done trading on the day, then we still discuss price, all that good stuff. Link to the description is down in the link to the Discord is in the description down below. I'm still in this trade. My stop loss is at 39.25, which again, it's looking like it might come and get it. But if it doesn't, I mean, if it does, it's good. If it doesn't, I'm not worried about it. So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. My name is T Hobbs. This is the Trader Shop. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.